Oh, yeah. Well, UGEZU.J, Akataku, the kingmaker of this land. Hereby, crown you, Akachi, the king of Obelago.
How dare you?
What is it?
How dare you give my crown to my younger brother? You mad? Are you out of your mind? Are you?
Hello! Hello! Oh, no, hello. Why are you interrupting this?
What sort of question is that? Don't you ever ask me that?
You just interrupted a sacred process. What's going on? You should be civilized. You're from America, bro. What's going on?
What is wrong with you?
I am the king of Obelago, henceforth. And you all should have called me that respect. If anyone goes against my rules, then I will chop off your heads and feed the beast in the forest. Now you all, bow before me!
Oh no.
Bow!
May you leave them.
I will never bow to you. How dare you? Lizzy, how dare you collect what belongs to my son? Now, give it to me. Hand that phone over to me now. Give it to me now! Give it.
Since you want to die, I will make it easy for you. Guards!
Your Highness.
Come here. Take her to her room. Tie her there until she agrees to bow before me. Now!
Just calm down. Just calm down.
Now you all listen to me. I am now your king henceforth. Now bow before me.
My goodness. What is this? Oh my God. I see. So this is what my son and I will go through if this boy returns. Oh no. Never. It will not happen. I, Ifoma, daughter of Ekikwe Okabu, will never let this happen. I wish this man agreed to die. Why would my husband refuse to die? I wish he died so that my son will become king before this his foolish late wife's son returns. I think I have to do something about it.
What is taking her now? Eh?
Don't worry, she'll soon be here. I trust her.
You must know.
Here she comes.
My elders, sorry for keeping you waiting.
Lolo, the time is upon us. It is time to take over. Fully.
Yes.
You should act fast. You say you have something for us. What is it?
My elders, you have nothing to worry about. I have put all the plans in place. Igwe will be walking past through this road. He's going to visit his late wife's grave. The rest is upon the both of you. Okay. You know what to do.
You have done well for this information. Don't worry.
Yes, I'm counting on you.
Don't worry. When you walking fast through the so I need a money back here.
Where is my Lolo? Am I not talking to human being? Where is your queen, my wife? And of course, where is Akachi?
Your Highness, Prince Akachi has gone out.
Why?
I saw him leaving. We don't know. We don't know, Your Highness.
But I told them that we shall be visiting my late wife's grave today. And up till now, nobody's around the palace. Even Aneda is not here. What is going on?
My king was sorry. Hell, my lord. I am so sorry, my darling. Sorry for keeping you.
It's okay.
Thank you, my darling.
It's all right.
Sorry, I was outside waiting for Akachi.
Okay, it's all right. It's okay. Let's go. There's no time.
Wait. I think that's a good way with us.
Why not? Do you expect me to leave the palace without my guards?
My lord, I think it's only you and I mourning your late wife. Is it not better if just both of us go and visit her this time around so that we'll just stay there with her for some time?
You know, you are correct. You are correct, my queen. You know, sometimes this is my head. It's okay. We have to get alone. Guys, you have to stay back. Just look after the house. Let me go with my lord alone.
You don't have to do this. Seriously, you don't even have to behave like this to that woman.
See,
this is unfair.
I know that what I did is not good. But that woman, I've tolerated her enough. Let me ask you, do you know how long that woman has been owing me? No, now, I've tolerated that woman enough. Do you know the most annoying part of it? Whenever I call that woman on the phone, she will keep posting me, come today, come tomorrow, my market this, my market that. What does she expect me to do? The money for my business. I have to come all the way from the city to this village to collect that money from her. What she did, is it good?
I know what she did is not good, but please, just give her more time, as you said. Just a little time. That woman we're talking about is my auntie.
For real?
Yes.
That woman is very lucky. She's very, very lucky that a pretty girl like you is interceding on her behalf. If not, that's okay. I will do exactly as you said because you're a beautiful girl.
Thank you. What is it?
What is it? What is it? Don't worry. You'll soon hear from me. What is it?
Who is she?
Don't mind her. She's nobody. She's nobody.
If you say so.
Why, Oma? Go dear. Why am I Ruby dear? As you can see that I'm always coming to see you. Since your departure from my life has not been the same. Look at your grave. I will always come to check on you. Because I still have you in my heart. Can't you help me?
Your Majesty, it's okay. Don't bother yourself. I will get the guards to
to weed this grass. It's okay.
It's all right.
It's okay.
It's all right. But let me just
Let's go home, my lord. Let's
No,
go
I want
home.
to stay a little bit. Let me just stay a little bit. Let me do something. Oh.
Stop! Leave him! Stop! Leave him! Your Majesty! Your Majesty! Somebody help! Somebody help!
Who are those people? Who are those people?
Lord, I don't know. I don't know. Igwe, please don't die yet.
Please
Don't die.
Get help. Get
I'm
help.
trying. Somebody help! It's okay, my lord. Please don't die yet. Don't die. Help! Somebody help!
Just go and get help.
I will get help. I will. My lord, I will.
Get help. Get help.
I will do that. Help!
Please go and get help.
What is this girl? You're not going to come to the link. See, I mean, for how many years? For how many years?
But I'm sorry, now it's not my fault. And the woman was not even around.
No, it's my fault. I was the one that sent the woman to America. Eh? Now, why come to the link? Madam, give me this thing.
Sorry. Brother, you won't believe what I just saw now.
What else is your job? What else is your job? Are you not the CEO of the village? You have to be seen up and down. Tell me what you saw.
Brother, I saw your almighty Tochi. I saw Tochi standing on the road, talking with another guy. If you see this guy is very fine. If I pass you, you're not even fine. Eh? If you see the way she was gisting with this guy, I'm sure that guy was toasting her. I swear.
You saw Tochi with a man?
Fine man, not just a man.
Gisting?
Gisting.
Again?
Hey. I've told you. Leave Tochi alone. Leave Tochi alone. Tochi is not meant for you. That girl, she's too beautiful for you. Only you cannot date her. Only you cannot date Tochi. Brother, go up and get back again. You know the hear word. Eh? No, I see it. She's with another man, gisting, laughing. They are touching her, touching everything, everywhere. You are busy. Tochi will come and meet you. My pad has finished. You buy pad. My pint. I'm sure that pint they are paying for. You never see them. Your eye never see that pint.
The pint.
Now lie.
I've seen the pant.
But football pint.
I've seen the pant. I have some one that is green, some are red, some are
my
yellow.
Imagination, I do you. That one no concern me. Mom be say one school resume. You will give me my school fees and I'll go back to school. If you like, be dashing all your money.
No problem. I'll go with you.
That bread and coke.
Auntie in the one. I'll go with you. Once the school resume, I will now give you money. Come on. Don't worry. Don't you be disturbing me outside. You'll be disturbing me inside. No problem. Don't you again. Don't you again. In fact, how far about you going? I don't think I can eat this thing again. Tochi has caused my stomach to quench.
Lolo, you should be happy that our plan was successful.
I am very happy. In short, I am the happiest person now. But my problem is, how do we move him out of this place? Moreover, I don't know how to announce this to the community. How do we announce this to the community? That is the problem now. Because I am going to be the prime suspect.
Lolo, relax, I am with you. I am the Ono. I am the Ono, not for the God by the gods, but for the gods and the people. Yes. Yeah. You know what will happen? As it stands now, send the guards. In fact, tell the guards that Igwe was attacked. Yes. Then tell them to go and call the elders. Tell the guards to take Igwe to the room where no one will enter apart from the guards. Until after today. The date will be announced.
I'm a bit relieved. That is what you are going to do. Thank you so much.
Check. I hope it's totally gone. I can see him breathing. Okay, you come.
Baby. Stop using your finger. I've
just told you to mind the way you behave. Mind the way you behave. You're a prince.
Well, the food is delicious now. I'm just picking my teeth.
Thank you. I'll be coming to the palace to prepare this for you as the queen of this land.
I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait for you to officially become the queen so that I don't have to come here to eat. You'll be preparing all this in my palace.
No. You have not yet paid my bride price. Yes. You need to come and do the needful. Do the right thing. I don't even know what you're waiting for. I don't know what you're waiting for.
You know I've always wanted to come and pay your bride price. But my mom keeps telling me to chill. She said I should wait for some time. I will pay your bride price, okay?
Every time you'll be doing what your mother said. What is it? Ibu, are you not a man? Is this how we are going to rule this kingdom when you finally become the king? Every time my mother said. Be a man for once.
Why as the children obey your parents? I'm just obeying my mom now.
Hey.
Relax. Relax. Now let me change. Should I disobey my mother?
My prince, the queen wants to see you at the palace now. It's very, very urgent.
Anytime I'm spending quality time with my woman, the queen will send for me. What's all this now? Why is she calling me?
I think there's a very big problem at the palace now.
Problem?
Hey, baby, rush. There's a
my
problem.
Love, I'll see you later.
I'm gonna rush.
Walk like a prince, so stop walking like that. Walk well.
This is a sacrilege, and we must get to root of it.
Nze, you are right. Who could have done this to us? Who?
Nkutaro. The land of Obelago must fight back. Those boys must be apprehended. They must be brought to book. Okay, Niti? Kill our king.
Elders, what do we do next?
My elders, I want to make something clear. The death of my father will never go unchallenged. I will fight till the end of this matter. That I promise you all.
Let me quickly say this to everyone here. No one should tell any of the villagers. The death of Igwe shall remain a secret until after today, till official announcement by me. Inform the maidens and the guards.
Igwe Bodani.
What? How did it happen?
Sister, I don't know. But I saw Papa, other elders, and the guard. They carried Igwe to the palace. From the look of things, sister, I think the Igwe is dead.
Hey! What could have happened to him?
I don't know.
Hey! Wow. Could it be it's my time to become the queen of this land? Hey, Joy. Joy, your sister, will soon be the queen. Hey!
Chim, 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 chim. Hey! Sister, I just told you something. Now, what is more important to you? Is it becoming a queen or about the king I just told you about now?
I don't understand.
Omuburia. Mba omuburia.
It's not even confirmed yet.
Hey! Sister. Yes, so it is important to me. The death of the king will make his son become the king. It will make him to be the king. And I, Brenda, will become the queen. Will become the queen of this land. Can't you see that? I only care about myself. I don't care about the king. I don't care.
I can see that.
Do I look like someone that cares?
The Lord.
Aye! The Odibeze. Chai! The Oriaku no Doziako. Aye! So baby, Brenda Okochebe. Oh! One! No Birago Kingdom. Aye! Oh, no. Aye. You are so beautiful. fly away.
Oh, go.
Fly away. Fly away.
Look at
No.
how I know here.
What is wrong with this baby?
Can you imagine this idiot?
No, what is going on?
Eh? Can you imagine? I was here with Akachi. Okay. When one of the guards ran in here and called Akachi that there is fire in the mountain, there is problem in the palace. Eh? And now my sister came back and she told me that she saw some elders with my father carrying the Igwe body. It's like the Igwe is dead. Hey! The Igwe is dead. I don't know how you felt, well. Hey! Let me cry. Cry for what? Eh? No, I
don't need to cry.
Can you imagine?
My lolo, my queen, my odubeze, hey! Let him now. The queen.
Chai, I am still not convinced. I don't believe this is happening.
No. Elders, what do we do? Eh? We have cried enough. Let's start thinking of next plan and stop all this, I don't understand. We should stop going backward.
My elders, whoever that did this to our king must not go scot-free.
You say, I don't know.
Let's not go into details of what killed our king. This is not the first time he visited his late wife's grave. All we should be talking about now is why the guards didn't go with him. Yes.
Actually, you are right. How come he didn't go with the guards? Unowu, you and Ume were the people that usually go with him. So how come you did not go with him now?
Are we guards?
See, yes, you ask question. Yes, I was late. Before I could reach there, he had already gone. My question is, why didn't he go with the guards? Why?
Elders, what we should be talking about now is next plan. Igwe is dead. He only decided to go alone today. So we don't know.
Oh.
Eh? Let us all go home. Sleep, rest, eat, drink. And we talk about the next plan.
The next plan, the way forward.
Let us stop all this Igwe. We should go with guard or no guard. Are we guards?
Is that all you have to say?
If you want to go with him, go and go with him then. I don't understand.
I can't believe
Igwe is dead. Igwe is dead. Do you want to go with him? I don't understand.
Why didn't he go with the guards?
Mom, what are you saying?
You need to be brave. It's time for you to comport yourself as the prince and king to be.
Mom, are you saying I should focus on becoming king more than looking for what killed my father?
What are you looking for? What will you do with what killed your father? Your main concern should be you becoming the king. I want to see that crown on your head. I heard that your stepbrother will be returning. And I would love you to have that crown on your head before his arrival. I wouldn't want you to drag that crown with anybody. I had a terrible nightmare. I was shown how he is going to treat us. Peradventure, he becomes the king.
Trust me, Americana has no business around this vicinity. If he comes back here, I will kill him myself. I don't even America, bro.
You want to go?
Alright, man. I got you. I got you.
My daughter.
Yes, Papa.
Are you sure of what you are telling me?
Papa, it was the Lolo that asked the Igwe not to go with the guards, and the Igwe agreed.
Oh. So it was the Lolo's plan for the Igwe to go alone. I see.
Papa, see, I suspect a foul play.
I saw the Lolo sneaking out of the palace, and when I saw her, she said she was going to check something.
What?
Yes, it took her quite a long time to come. When the Igwe was about to go to the graveside, she came and she said she wanted to check on their son. I'm telling you.
What?
Yes.
You see, my daughter, you have to go now. Please, you will do me a favor. Wash out. Just look around. Whatever that is going on, let me know. But please, do not let anyone know that you came to see me.
Yes, Papa.
Do you understand?
Yes, Papa.
Oh, please go.
Okay, Papa. Papa, take care of yourself. Yes. Papa, take care of yourself.
What could be the plans of the Queen? Whatever it is, I must find out.
Greediness and wickedness is bad. It will always lead you to doom. Assalating.
It's okay. Put yourself together. That's how we saw it.
How could this happen? Who could have done this?
It's alright. Put yourself. Calm down, please. Do not cry. Princess, don't cry outside. Let's go inside. Let's go in. Let's go. Let's go inside. What about the box?
It's inside.
My darling, it's okay. Stop crying. Okay? Everything will be alright. Hey! Foolish prince! Hey! So if they have allowed this guy now, he will flog me with his belt. So if they had allowed you now, you will remove that your belt and start flogging me. Wait. Choma, what is wrong with you? Why are you talking to yourself? Are you okay? I'm not okay. What is wrong? Is it not that Prince Akachi? Because of Brenda, he removed his belt and crown and wanted to flog me. Can you imagine? Because I refused to acknowledge Brenda as queen. But Brenda is not yet queen. Ifugonian now. Ifugonian. I don't know. So because he wants to marry Brenda now, I should see her anywhere and then prostrate and start calling her queen. No, maybe next time if I see her, I'll be moving around with wrapper so that when next I see her, I'll just put it on the ground and then I'll lie down and call her queen. Choma, wait, just calm down. Are you sure this thing you are saying now is true? Tochi, what kind of question is this now? I'm just... Didn't you see me running from all the way? If I had not run, he would have just flogged me without belt. But no problem. I am leaving. Let me go. Wait. If this is true, yeah? If this is really, really true, that means, he did not deserve to be our king. Okay. Imagine if he's our king. We all will be in trouble. We'll be fighting in the public. We'll be fighting everywhere. Everywhere you go, we'll be fighting. That prince, I don't have anything to say to you. But wait, no, let me just... Choma, wait now. Wait.
Who would have done this to my father? Who would have killed the Igwe?
It's okay, my daughter. Don't cry. It's devil's handwork.
Mom, there is no devil's work in this. What devil? I need to get to the root of this. I need to find out who killed my father.
Listen, sis. So you think if you find out the killers of our father, you can kill them? Listen, relax. These people must be bigger than you, so Chill, okay? Take a chill pill.
Akachi, I should chill. How could you even say that? I mean, how are you both even so quiet about this, Mom? You're talking as if you don't trust your mother again. Don't you know me again? Relax. Definitely, I will get to the root of all this. The people that killed your father will never go unpunished. It is not something that you start shouting. Please, just calm down. Leave everything for me. Mama, I honestly don't know what both of you are talking about. But I, Ruth, would get to the root of this.
Listen, sis. This battle is bigger. Relax. We'll get to the root of this.
It's unbelievable.
Make this girl no cast also. Make she no cast also.
She will not do anything. Else I will be forced to keep her where your father is.
No, now. If you are clean up, don't do that.
Greetings. My princess, you called us.
I need to know what happened during the visit to my father's late wife's grave.
My princess, we didn't go with him. He went alone with Lolo.
Even the guards?
Yes, my princess.
How? And why? What is your duty in this palace? Who gave such order? Could you all please answer me?
What is going on here?
What are you doing? Mom, can you please leave me alone? Can you please leave me alone? I mean, for crying out loud, I am studying criminology in school. I mean, how else do you expect me to investigate my father's death? But you mean you assembled the palace workers and interrogate them on your father's death? While I told you that I'm going to get to the roots of everything. Get inside now so that when I enter there, we'll talk. Move! Mom, I just found out now that father went alone. None of the guards nor the maids were with him. Why? All of you, just leave. Okay. Let's go inside and talk before I'll get mad at you. You want to get mad at me? You want to get mad at me because I want to investigate the death of my father, your husband. Ruth, there is an adage that said that when a child is not old enough to find out what killed his father, that same thing that killed his father will also kill him. I am your mother. Ruth, I gave birth to you. I told you to relax that I am on it. You have a brother who is also doing his best to find out what happened to your father. Now will you go inside so that we will sit down and talk about it? Get inside. Ruth! Don't like this. I don't.
I think something is wrong.
Me too. Why will the queen try to stop Princess Ruth from finding out what killed the king? If I'm in her shoes, I will find that as well. Something is wrong somewhere.
What do you think is wrong? I think the queen just wants to find out herself.
No. If not, she should have supported Princess Ruth's moves. But let's not be what I'm thinking. No. Let it not be.
What are you thinking?
We must see an end of all this. I heard the son of the first queen is coming back. That one that has been in America for a very long time. I can't wait to see him.
I heard he's coming back too. He's coming back for them to drag the throne.
Oh, that is
war.
Hey!
Let me go back to my
Where are you going to now?
I'm here. Yeah. Sit down. What's your problem? Have you gone bananas? What's your problem? Mom told you something and you're trying to ignore it. Are you sick?
What did I do wrong? Mom! Shut up! Shut your mouth!
The message is simple. Calm down.
Have you got out of your mind? What is wrong with you?
Oh, you think you come back from nowhere to spoil things for us? Can't you calm down and listen to us?
You said you should calm down. Calm down.
Do you hear me? I am your mother. It's my husband they're talking about here. I will go to the root of what happened to my husband. Even your brother here is trying his best. Why can't you calm down and listen to us? Or you will start making noise so that they will know that we are tracking them. And they will do more harm to us.
Then let us investigate it. Let us trace it. Let's look into it.
Are you the police? Calm down. You are crying more than the bereaved. The man in question is also my father. Her husband. Why are you behaving as if you are the only person hurt here? Calm down. Listen to us. Calm down.
We are your family. We are doing something.
Mom, so that's why you slapped me.
And I will slap you again.
Okay.
Ruth, I can see that something is wrong with you.
Oh, we go, please. We need to pull off that thing on our head.
She just a pass marker. What do you call again? What rubbish? Don't mind her. She will not do anything. Yes. Don't mind her. If she try anything stupid, I will send her where your father is. Instead of us to focus, my own concern now is on you becoming the king. Because that thing I saw in that nightmare, I will not allow it to come to pass.
Where is the crown and the father's robe? I'm asking you, where is the crown, Akachi?
I took it. The crown is mine.
What? Akachi, the crown is not yours. Go and give it to him.
Who asked you to talk? Who asked you to talk? Are you not supposed to shut up when men are talking?
How dare you eat happy food? You okay?
Oh, you want to fight? You want to fight?
Clinton!
Come outside.
Akachi!
No, you want to fight? Come outside.
Clinton, what is wrong with you?
I'm going to end up. Never.
I will deal with you.
Mother, stop this!
I will deal with you.
You want to fight me, right?
Hey!
Fight me.
You okay?
Fight me. Fight me now.
Is it me that you are carrying weapons?
Open this thing. Open this thing.
Here.
Bring it down.
I don't need it. I don't need it. Hey, if you're man enough.
Fight me now.
If you're man enough.
Touch me again.
Keep this and let us do it man to man.
No, I don't talk about touch me again.
I said if you are man enough.
Touch me now. I can't beg you.
Keep this weapon. Let's fight.
Touch me now. I can't beg you. See.
Keep it.
Nonsense.
Let's do it man to man.
Touch me now. Nonsense. Even if I give this knife, what will you do? What will you do? Are you afraid? What? Are you afraid?
Akachi, can you just stop?
Akachi, go for me. Step back. I don't want to. Baby, what?
Clinton, you see that thing you are looking for? You will see it in this palace. Imamola!
You mad?
Hey! Akachi, you like Imam?
How dare you?
Chineke me!
Slapped you.
Give it to me.
Akachi Imamola! Hey! Akachi, can you stop it?
If you dare, I'll kill you here and feed your body to the vultures.
You will I'm the Pablo. Go on, Abi. No problem. Let me call my friend.
No, come!
Let me call my friend.
Come and fight! You.
Clinton, please.
Hey, talk to your son. Talk to him to bring that crown right now. Get out.
What is going on? What kind of nightmare is this? Why am I always seeing this boy in my dream? Oh, is that what we are going to face peradventure he returns to this kingdom? I don't need anybody to tell me that there is fire on the mountain. I have to do something before it's too late. Yes. Hi, God. I wish I can send him a plane crash so that he will just die once without getting into this kingdom. Oh God, distance. I wish he... Oh God. I think hired assassin would have been the best thing to do a very clean job for me.
What is it?
My princess,
What is it?
I am waiting for your brother. He has been outside. And the elders are here waiting for the meeting.
Where could he have gone to? Can't you send one of the guards to go look for him?
I've done that already, but the guard is not yet back. I don't know if I should go and look for him myself.
You don't need to, okay? Just calm down. He'll soon be here. And, Mom, I just found a new lead on the case. And
Shut up! Ruth, what is wrong with you? Are you sure you are okay?
Mom.
Because the way I am looking at you, it's like something is wrong with you. What lead are you talking about? Eh? We are here talking on how to have a serious meeting on the matter on the ground. We are talking about lead. What lead? What do you mean by lead, JP? Is something wrong with you? If you dare open your mouth to say that again, I will give you a dirty slap now.
No.
We are planning on how to settle important matter. You are here talking about lead.
No. What is taking place? They are worried. What is it? What is going on?
Ichie, please, just calm down. He has been outside. I've been here waiting for him. Please, calm the elders down. We'll soon be with them. I think I should go and look for him myself.
No. You can't do that. Send the gas.
I've done that already. I've done that.
No, you can't go. You can't go. You cannot go.
You are not.
My prince.
Let those who are angry that I'm going to become the queen of this kingdom, let them die in their anger. Bam! Let them die. Akashi's fighting on a show. What? Serious fight? How? Very fight. Where? I saw them on the road. I come over from the market. Very heavy fight, oh! I said Akachi is fighting all on shit. Akachi in Gabriel. It's not fighting. Hey! From up! Bam! Yeah! Wake up. Just do this. Akachi, stop now! Akachi, stop fighting! Hey! Akachi, stop fighting! Akachi now! Akachi, you will break somebody's leg, oh! You will break somebody's leg, Akachi! Akachi, please now! Hey, what's going on? Hey! Fight start! Hey! You can't be fighting me. You can stupid man like you. Oluchi, please. Oluchi, you're a very stupid person.
Okay.
You're a very stupid person.
Let you go me. Put yourself.
You get to me. You won't yalla. When you're playful.
Okay. Please, let me tell you. You are not going to be king in this village.
Eh?
You are not going to be queen of it.
You are still talking. You are still there.
Kill him.
Akachi, hey.
Kill him for me. Kill him.
Akachi, please leave him.
I said kill him.
Hey! Akachi!
What's all this? How long are we going to wait for this boy? He knows we have a meeting this morning.
Let's wait. He will soon be here.
For how long? For how long are we going to wait? Is this how he's going to be the king? I doubt.
Do you know your problem? It's impatient. You don't have patience. Let me tell you, this boy you are talking about is our king in waiting. If you cannot wait for him until he comes, you people can go. You can do the meeting without both of you. It will not happen. Never.
Okay. Then you have to calm down and wait.
You have to wait.
Mom.
Akachi, what is this? What happened to you?
You see that idiot called Onochie? I will kill him. He does not believe in my government. He's challenging me in this village. I will kill him.
What happened? Did you fight with him?
Fight with you. I beat him now. I cannot be fighting with that idiot.
Mom. Mom, I was so ashamed of myself today. Eh? What is all this? How can Akachi be fighting on the road? I was at home when my sister came to tell me that she saw Akachi fighting on the road. Eh? A crown prince to be, a crown king to be. You are fighting on the road with that stupid, foolish man called Onochie. How?
So because I'm a king to be, I should not fight.
Shut up!
Can you imagine?
Akachi, hey, why? Are you not ashamed of yourself? A prince like you, a king to be, fighting on the road. Oh, you were there fighting while the elders are here waiting for you for the meeting.
Mom, just look at his body now.
We have something at hand. Eh?
He has forgotten.
So you go that nog. I told this idiot to kill that boy.
Just go that choir. Look at you talking
to help me kill that boy. Kneel down there. Kneel down there. You'll be there till 7.
Get inside there and change your clothes. Will you go inside and change your clothes?
Look at how he stained all his clothes. Eh? How can a crown prince to be fighting on the road? Mom, you see what I'm talking about?
What did I do? I was fighting the guy. Huh? Yeah. This kind of prince.
How you doing? Where are you going to? And why are you talking to yourself again?
See, it's good I see you now. It's good I see you now.
What is it?
Dochi, I am on my way to your house. Before I met and I encountered that nonsense celeboga that called himself Prince Akachi, and we entered into a fight. It was in your house that I was going to. And it was the anger in me because of you that made me to descended on. I descended on him. So, listen to me. What I want to tell you now, if not because of you, I wouldn't have fought him.
Hey, I'm not sure you fought the prince. See here, I said you are stubborn. Why are you so stubborn? Do you know what you've done? You fought the prince.
Or say that I'm stubborn.
Hi.
You said I'm stubborn.
You are.
See, let me tell you. In fact, let me come. It's over between us. Easy. So I was going to your house to inform you that it's over between us. I am tired of disturbing you for you to be my girl. I'm my girl because my girl. Don't be my girl again. I'm tired. I don't trust him. I trust him. Just give you know all the money that I have given to you as a one that was asking you out. Hey. Go and cut all those money and give me back. After my movement today. Now, go and check all the money that I have given to you since you belong to or you have it by force. Go and check all the money and count them and give it back to me. That is my movement for today, and they must give it to me today.
See, Onochie, you know, I used to tell you that you are very, very stubborn. Now I even realized that you are. In fact, you are stupid. You are very, very foolish as well.
You see?
You are foolish.
Or see?
Which one is that I should give money?
That I am foolish. Me, Onochie is very foolish.
You are stupid. You are foolish. You're a stupid person.
It's alright. I'll go be people. But today, let me see how you are going to pass this place. If you don't give me my money here,
Let me ask you something. So if I give you the money now, are you going to pay me back the time I wasted with you?
You see?
Yes.
Who is talking about wasted time here? Can you imagine? You and I, who should be talking about wasted time?
Oh, no,
will you go stand there? Do you know that by now, all the money I have spent on you, as you go to another school? Another school. By now, my son, my daughter with you is supposed to be in another school. And I'll be wasting my time. And you are here talking about me, talking about wasted time. Well, let me see how you will pass here. If you start giving me that money now.
Oh, please. I don't have your time. Don't even start with me now.
Will you stand here? Papa, come on, will you give me money? Let me see how you are going to leave this place now. Let me see how you will leave this place now.
Oh, please, I don't have your time now. Don't even start with me. What is your problem?
Come and go now. Let me see.
What is your problem now? Stop.
Come and pass now.
Please, just let me be. Don't disturb.
Come and pass now. Let me see you.
Hi. I'm tired of Akachi. I don't know what to talk about him anymore. I am tired. Eh? Does it mean that royalty doesn't fit Akachi? Eh? How can he be fighting with a common man like Onochie? How? I have been thinking about this. Like, Onahabar is in easy. That is why I came here to see you. I've been thinking about it. Onochie kwa. Just see how he stained his royal regalia. Eh? Is this how we're going to rule the kingdom together? Eh? You know what? Just to get to calm down, don't worry. He is going to change. He is going to change. That is why he has you in his life. Only did he change because in no distance time, he is going to be the king of this kingdom. So only the packaging. Only the very important. It pains me. I'm telling you the honest truth. Well, I'm happy that the fact that I told him how I love men that has packaging. I like men that has packaging. Eh? It's just that I want to be a queen by all means. If not, all this nonsense that he's doing, I'll just leave him, eh? Like I said, just calm down. Eh? He is going to change. Because me like this, I don't want anything to happen between you and the queenship of this kingdom. You are going to be the queen. Can you imagine? Yeah. The common man. Commoner. Yeah.
What are you here for? What are you here for? As you know me, you man, I don't have shame. You will not leave this place today until you give me all the money that I have given to you.
What is your problem?
Let me go. As you let me go, let me see how you are going to leave this place today.
Okay.
Eh?
No problem.
You must give me back all the money that I have given to you.
You want me to give you your money?
You must give it to me.
Oh yeah, follow me to him. Just follow me to my house, Onochi. After all, you don't give me the money here, so follow me to my house. Let me go and give you the money.
Oh, you think? Look at this one.
Yes, now.
You think you have a say here? You think you have an option? No? See, let me tell you. Nobody is here. Nobody is here. I will naked you. You know you don't wear pants, you don't wear braces. You don't wear pants, you don't wear braces. I will naked you here. Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. I will naked you here now. Eh? No man for your nipple. What's the name for now?
Onochi, I caused the day I met you. I caused that day. I regret the day I stood with you talking about love. Hi, Onochi, you are very, very stupid.
Eh?
You are very, very foolish.
Eh?
You are a he-goat.
Jesus.
You are nothing.
Jesus.
You are nothing. You are nobody.
With my money. You took my money and you called me a he-goat. Hey.
I'm so fat. Oh no, that is what you are.
Hey.
You are a he-goat. You are nothing. You are nobody.
Are you with us?
Hey.
Are you with us? Angel Michael.
Of course.
Are you seeing this?
Angel Raphael. Come and see. Tonoshe is a he-goat.
Angel Zachariah.
You are a he-goat.
Angel Antus.
Imagine. That is what you are. You are a he-goat. Tonoshe, leave me alone. Tonoshe, leave me.
See, if you like blind, you must get up from there. The only thing that will make you see is that you see now. See my money, I give it back to me. Else, I will slap you silly bugger.
It will not happen. I will never let this happen. We must wait for the arrival of Prince Clinton. He is the Igwe's first son, He is the crown prince. We will never crown Prince Akachi our king.
Will you shut that your mouth if you don't have more to say?
Oh no, I won't shut up. I won't.
Shut that your mouth. No, you be able to knock at a knife. Now by your own.
Oh no, don't shut him. Don't shut him. He's right. How long have we been waiting for Akachi you want to be our king before he came? Eh? People are talking nonsense. Two of you, Achuzie and Inze, we are talking nonsense. Rubbish! Whether you like it or not, Akachi will be our king. And nothing you can do about it.
Let me see.
Let me help you, Elder. You bleached Elder. What's his name? Now I'm with phone out. I don't care. Both of you should not annoy me today. Like on a serious note, both of you should not get me angry today. If you have nothing important to say, shut up.
Go and sit down. You are a small boy. After the last Opala, we must wait for him to come back. After all, before the death of Igwe, he told us that Clinton must come back. So we must wait, or else we will not have a king. So your plan is for we to wait for a boy that have lived all his life in America to come and become our king. Tomorrow, I will say more be cheap. As well as say hi, as well as you know who hi. It's a boom wiggy. It will not happen.
Call me a small boy in my house. Okay, let me show you what a small boy can do. Now get out of this place.
You lie. I do the partner. Get out. Get out. Get out.
Biko, calm down. Akachi. Now you are the devil, no? Not Biko.
Now.
Hey, Abesio. Ochi, what is going on? What happened? Onochie, it's me. I cannot see again. Who is it? Onochie, who are you? Onochie Mesugaka, why? What did you do to him? He's trying to give him all the money again. Oh God, he's trying to give him all the money. Onochie is it? You know what? Let's leave all this stuff. Just stand up. Let me take you to the pharmacy. Stand up. Just stand up. I can't see. Just stand up. Sorry. Linia. Where? Sorry. Where? Oh. Here. Can you put your leg? Oh, here. I'm okay. I'm okay. Sorry. Hi.
I see you here next time. I will help you. Are you sick? Animal. Give me that cake. Be careful. Enemies of progress. Be careful. If you go against me, I will behead you.
Behead us?
Yes.
Okay, we will go. But mark my word, we will not crown you king unless Clinton did not come back.
Shut up your mouth. He asked you to go. Look at him. Palm tapa.
Be careful, especially you. Be careful. Maybe Gisi. I both of you should leave this place. Leave this place.
Stop this. It's my son. It's okay. Butu.
Huh?
It's okay. Please give this.
How dare you go against me?
It's okay. Give me this.
Elders, why are you against my son?
Look at who wants to be a king. Father, chasing us cabinet members from the palace. Let's see how we will accomplish this without us.
Let you know now. Balance second. Back one up.
Let them go.
I'm inside.
Let us go inside.
Those who around. Balance second.
Ruth!
Don't forget.
me see how that will happen. I will alert the whole community. You will see to it.
I will seize the palace book. Let me see how they will achieve this.
Ichie, what happened? You both are leaving. Why?
Didn't you see? Didn't you see how your brother chased us out from the palace? Elders like us, cabinet members.
Ichie, I am really sorry, Biko. I am so sorry. You know I just got back and I don't really know what is going on. Can you please explain to me?
They are angry with us just because we said the truth. The Igwe was murdered. Yes. And they don't want us to do anything. All they wanted was for your brother to become the king without going through the normal process. But we said no. Yes, we said no. That will not happen. Because the Igwe told us that your stepbrother will come to reclaim the throne.
Really?
Yes.
Really? You know, I'm very sorry. I am so sorry, Chie. I don't even know what is going on. My mother doesn't want me to investigate the death of the king.
What?
Yes.
She don't want you to do that?
Exactly, and I am so confused.
My princess, you know what? There are a lot happening in the palace. And you need to know this. The time for you to know it is now. Yes.
Ichie, please. I will stop by at your house this evening. Is it okay?
If you say
Let's go.
I'm so sorry, please.
Thank you.
Don't cover the truth.
Hey! Who did this to you?
It's Akachi. Akachi punched me in my eye.
Easy, Biko, no, so easy.
Akachi punched me in my eye.
This is bad, though. Very bad. Hey! I can't handle it. What? I can't handle it. It's beyond me. I will just give her drugs to ease the pain. We will take her to the hospital. Sorry. Who is this other chain?
Auntie Nurse, come on, me nurse. What do we do now? What do we do?
Take her to the hospital right now. Else she will go blind.
Hospital.
Hey! Let doctor take care of her.
Oh no, Chie.
No, Chie must be very stupid. Find girl like her. Hey!
You know what, Auntie Nurse, just bring medicine for her. Medicine so she can, the thing can ease the pain. Why yo?
No, my father is in the house. Take me home.
I'll go and get the drugs.
Get the drugs. Sorry.
Hey, what have I done?
Just calm down, Tochi.
My elders, please, whatever we have to do, let us do it fast. We don't have time anymore.
Lolo, you must talk to Akachi to control his temper. Those two elders, we need them. Especially Achuzie. We cannot do without him.
Okay, have you heard him? Please calm down. You have to be careful with whatever you are doing now. You know what is at stake. We need to achieve our target though.
Those elders are annoying. Well, let me just tolerate them because of our target. I can meet them and apologize for formality's sake, just to bring them back on track. So where am I supposed to see them and say I'm sorry?
Yes, you have to go to Achuze's house the first thing tomorrow morning and beg him. So that he can come back and join us to start planning. We have to crown you before Clinton returns. If not, you will be forced to that throne with him.
Yeah, but on the second hand, though we don't have cash at hand for coronation and all that, how are we supposed to pull this over?
Yes, my elders. You know we don't have money. If we do not have money.
In that case, we have to sell one of his land.
His kinsmen will not agree. We are having a meeting. We have to go.
I don't understand, Mom. Am I not part of this family? Can't I join the meeting?
You cannot. Go to your room and wait.
Mom, why can't I join the meeting?
Why are you challenging Mom? Must you argue? Obey before complain. Excuse us.
Go to your room and wait. Did you hear me?
Princess, we are already done. There is no need to join us. By the way, where have you been?
Go now, you do. Go. If I say, go. Ah, excuse you. What with us?
Brother, you know I'm not you. Brother, you ego lanti agamata. You not again. Ego agameta. Brother, do you know that the king just died? Eh? Did you know that the king just died?
Am I the one that killed the king?
Are you the one that killed the king?
Am I the one that killed the king? If he doesn't like to know how to die, let him die again. Yes, now. If the king doesn't know how to die, let him die well.
Brother, the king just died and you went ahead to fight the son. Eh? Knowing full well he will be the next king of this kingdom. Oh.
And so?
Brother?
No, and so?
Once he becomes the king, he will start tormenting you.
He cannot try it.
Pupe.
He no fit try. For what? Because he's a prince. If I see him, because he's a prince, anytime I see him on the road, I should jump on top of a roof. Because he's a prince.
Yes.
When he becomes a king, everybody will be putting themselves inside the grave. Because he's a prince, I will not try it. Let him come, I will give it back to him. I'm a man like him. You see, I will slap him silly. Nonsense, silly bugger.
But you will fight him again.
I will fight him again. That is.
Hey, brother, let me ask you, what did Tochi do to you?
Tochi? Leave that one. Leave that one. That one, her case is open.
Her case is
open. What I did to her is a chicken chain to compare what is coming to her again if she did not give me my money. What I did to her will show her that I'm no longer interested in her love. Okay. I don't care about love now. What I care is the hate. I have told her that I'm no longer interested in her love. Let her go with her love. I go. Now, where have you been now? Now, what about on the linker? Let me go. Try to be steady now. So that I talk again. So you advise me on what to do. You know how by it's up and down.
Nah, I went to Amokwe. Amokwe. Uche, what did you do to Tochi?
Tochi? This one everybody is asking me about Tochi. It's like he's in the news. See, let me tell you. You see that girl? What I did to her is a chingom to compare to what I would do to her later. You should not give me my money. I know the one that I said you saw her with a boy kissing. They are doing. I know the one that said I should take back all the things I gave to her. So can you go? If you talk this side, you talk this side. Stay one place now.
I did not tell you to do what you did to her.
What did I do to her? I just beat her like a child.
Tochi is no longer seen with one eye. Yes. I even tried to perform miracle. I did like this. I did like Tochi. She cannot see with one eye.
Tochi is no longer seen.
Brother? What did I just say?
You heard him. You heard what he said. That is what I did.
But you could Tochi.
Imi. Caterpillar Nimi. See, let me tell you. That girl should try and see you. That girl should try and see you. Even if she is blind, that she should try and see you because she need to see my money. The only thing she will use that eye to see is my money. Once she see that my money, she will take it and give me back. Else, you said the one is open. I will. You see the other one? She must go blind if she don't give me my money. Who cares about love? I'm no longer interested in her love. Give her a Yes. Huh? So
brother,
I'm talking now two ways now.
No chana Tochi. 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 You must marry Tochi.
Auntie, the one. Look at you. Auntie, go and marry her for me.
Who is talking about marriage here? See police, oh.
They will come and carry you.
Police.
They will come and carry you.
Let police come. If they are coming with the police, they should come with my money. All the money I have given to Tochi, I can calculate it. She should come with the money so that I can use it and pay myself. I don't talk finish. What is all this? My money will not be interested. You are not the one that said I've been giving her money. You are here saying I should go and collect. What are you confusing me? Why are you confusing me?
Mom, please don't tell me that. Do not tell me that. I am not a kid. What do you mean that I'm not fit to be in the meeting about how this palace will move forward?
Hey,
You're a woman. Stop talking to Amora in that manner, else I will deal with you.
You will deal with me?
Yes.
Akachi, try it. Try it! Oh, you want to slap me again? Look, if you try that next time, I will stab you.
Ruth, you said you would slap your brother. You stab him? Oh, stab me first! Ruth, stab me! Stab me!
Mom, go ahead. That is what you are used to. Go ahead and beat me. I think I know what's going on now. I know what is going on. You see the secret the both of you are hiding? I, Ruth, will uncover it. That secret, I will uncover it. I will show the both of you that I'm studying criminology in school. What is all this? Get out. Get out. Get out.
Yeah, he's so good. What do we call this?
She's not worth it. Just relax.
Your Majesty. My darling, you're welcome. Is there any problem? Nothing at all. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Please sit down.
But
why did she leave like that? The princess.
It's okay, there's no problem.
Sit down.
Akachi.
Sit down.
My darling, sit down. You're shouting on me. It's okay. Akachi. Yeah?
Brother, Ezewan told you to go and take the money you gave her, and you did. Eh, brother? Who told you that you can take back the money that you gave a woman when toasting her? Onye gwa gị ka ebe nke ahụ na-eme? But I'm not joking. Give ịgbachi m nkịtị. Ị na-agbachi m nkịtị akwa ya? You will give a woman money and you still go ahead and collect the money back.
It is possible.
It's not possible.
It is possible. Even if not possible, it's somebody that makes impossible things to be possible. I will make it to be possible. Because if they said if you don't want to be with me, no problem. Then you don't collect my money. You give me my money back. Yes, it's not right for a woman to be following a man without giving the man this thing, without agreeing with the man, and be taking the man's money. It's not done. So let her give me my money back. If you reject Satan, reject anything that comes from Satan. Okay, say me. Udachia.
Only Kokoya. That's why you went ahead and beat her up.
I tell me a powder. I'm a waffle.
But that ain't even one on mouth. Eh?
See, let me tell you, tell her to bring my money. Let her bring my money.
Must you beat her?
I must beat her. I must beat her. Where is her brother?
Ichi, calm down. Ichi, calm down. Ichi, calm down. No. Eh? Ichi.
Where is your brother?
Ichi.
Akachi, you think you can run? Let me tell you, you can run, but you cannot hide, oh. Eh?
Ichi, calm down. Ichi, what?
Akachi, I want you to come out right now, so that both of us will use our back to write it on the ground. Eh?
Ichi, what happened now? Calm down. What happened?
He almost blinded my daughter.
Hey. Hey. How serious it is? How bad?
I want to revenge.
Hey.
Well, you can go to my house now. You will see my daughter there. But they are about going to the hospital. Well, if my daughter gets blind, if you hear me loud and clear. But if you don't hear me, deliver the message to him. Let him get ready for the music I'm going to play for him. Hey. And he must dance to it. Do I make myself clear? Do I make myself clear?
Yes. Ichi, Urubo now. Eh? Please, now calm down.
Onache, I'm coming back. I'm coming back, oh!
Ichi.
Don't call me.
Ichi, don't play any music, oh. Onache! Brother! Ichi! What? Kebono. Hey. Onache! You're asking me. Has he gone?
I heard him saying he was going to write 8 on the ground. So this man did not go to nursing school. This man did not attend nursing school. Let him come back again. Let him come back because I was writing because he's an elderly man. No? I write because he's an elderly man. I have contrast here. I'll go and sharpen it. He said he's going to write 8 on the ground. He did not attend nursing school. He want to use me to learn how to write 8.
Let me tell you. He said he's going to come back home. He will come back for you.
Let him come back now. Why did he leave?
Why did you run?
He shouldn't have left now.
Why did you run?
Let him go and come back again. You see the way he left now. He will not go like that next time. The way he left now, he will not go like that next time. I don't care because he's an old man. I have controllers. For elderly people. I have controllers for elderly people here. I'll go and sharpen it. Go and close. Why did you leave that gate open?
Brother, let me tell you something. You must marry that girl. You are going to marry her. Yes. You are going to marry. You beat Abby.
I must marry her.
Yes, you must marry her.
Are you the owner of this song you are singing? Are you the original owner of this song you are singing? You are going to marry her. Is that your final answer? But I'm going to close this gate. I don't know why everybody is entering this compound as if this place is a palace. If people want to give me kingship, give me kingship. So that everybody can be entering. Go and lock that small gate. Go now. Let him come again. Can you imagine? Because people are elderly people, they will be doing anyhow. Carry cutlass to come and challenge me. Let him not try it again. Though. I have cutlass to elderly people here. I will use it on him. In fact, go out. You can go there from there. Tell the daughter to make sure that she find my money. Else, that her eyes will not come. No problem. Let me go and find my cutlass and sharpen it.
Is that why she's angry?
My sister is against us. She doesn't want me to become king while you become queen.
That will not work for her.
Amen.
It will not work for her. But that's not why I'm here. I came for us to talk on how you behave. Akachi. Akachi, you don't know how to carry yourself. To be royalty is a big deal. You don't even have atom of packaging in you. You don't even know how to carry yourself. You need to carry yourself with honor. You be a prince, cha-cha. Seriously, I don't like the fact that you went out there, started fighting with that stupid fool they called Onochie. How can you be fighting with that pig? To the extent that you have to stain your clothes. It's not making sense, so. You need to package yourself. You need to comport yourself. You don't have composure, and it's not making sense.
I'm trying. Can't you see I've started wearing this thing where they do heat? I've started holding this one for not just cause.
Look at the way you are still talking.
So I'm trying. Rome was not built in a day. I will change, I will package, I will upgrade. Don't worry, I will upgrade.
You need to change you. You need to change. This is what you have been saying, you will upgrade, you will upgrade. You need to package yourself very well. You are too local to be a prince. It's just that I needed to be a royal wife. If not, I don't have anything to do with you.
Are you still angry? Relax now, you know I was born and raised here.
No, I'm not angry with you. I'll continue to help you package, because that's why I'm here. I'll continue to help you package. I need to change you. Can you be fighting with that commoner?
My sister can't hide.
What is it, my princess?
Hey! Don't princess me at all. Do not. Look, talk to him. Talk to him, because whatever rubbish the both of you are planning will never work except the right thing is done. Else I will spoil it. Nonsense.
Baby, what is going on? Why is she talking to me in that manner?
I'm coming.
Because
What is wrong with you? You want to kill me? Are you stupid?
I will kill you because you are stupid. Why would you be against me? FBI, Oya, Alele.
Akachi, don't try this next time.
I say inside the
Do
house.
not try this next time.
Move it.
Leave me alone.
I said move it. Madam.
Akachi, leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! What is wrong with you, Ruth? What is your problem, Ruth? Why are you trying to bring problems into this family? Is something wrong with you? What are problems? Problems! Because I want to find out what you and your husband. Are you being serious? This girl. Really? Brenda, ask your boyfriend why he's against me investigating my father's death.
FBI, shut up. We have more important issues at hand, so sit your ass one place and rest.
Ruth!
Baby, allow her now. Your Highness, allow her, please now.
No, baby. As a baby in this situation.
No, please, allow her.
Ruth. Okay. Is that what you want to do? You want to disgrace this family?
Yes.
Eh? Akachi.
Mom.
Settle.
Allow me handle this. Halele.
Deal with her alone.
FBI,
Don't
Oya.
touch me.
FBI, Halele.
I am not living here.
How could you have done such a thing to someone's daughter? Eh? That girl was badly injured. And if nothing is done to her, she will get blind.
Tell me how this thing happens to be your business. In no less than 365 words, can you elaborate, expatiate, and coagulate how this thing take be your business now? Eh, Oma? See, let me tell you, Oma, Mala, that you are in my compound. If you don't leave this place right now, what happened to Tochi in one eye? What happened to your two eyes? You get the guy from here.
I'm not here, try it.
Eh?
I challenge you, try it. Mba, just when you are from Pulaka, I will show you crazy. Are you okay? Huh? Look at you, a stupid man that goes around looking for nonsense that he's going to collect from a lady. You are not a man.
Mama, calm down now. I'm here. I'm still existing. Eh? Calm down now. See, brother, I've told you what he did. What he did to that girl is very bad though. Eh? It's very, very bad.
Yeah. Ajulo.
Brother.
It is time for you to draw now. Ajulo, it's time for you to draw now. If you know this lady, it might be Italian. Eh? If you know this lady, tell her to leave this place right now. Before the fire in me begins to burn. Before the fire in me begins to burn.
Oh no, Chia, I say change it for me. No, I can nature.
I will change it.
Change it for me. Can't go seeking where woman, where women. Change it for me, or even try it with any member of my family. Nah, you ain't get make it. You will regret it. Look at you. Is it doing okay?
Mama, calm down.
I will.
Hey!
Brother, calm down. You, Oma, calm down now. Calm down. Brother. Brother.
Wait. Did you just want to fight me in my own compound?
Olochie, see, Ajolo, don't mind him. Olochie, what is coming for you is very big. But let me try you. Any day you will try this nonsense with any member of my family, Olochie. If you don't tantaga, nonsense.
So you have gotten to the extent of targeting my distance? Yes. It has gotten to the extent of going to my distance. So is that how? Why is everybody in this village planning against me? Why are they planning against me? Because of just blow I gave to Tochi, ordinary Nkubanya, and they're going against me in this village. Why is everybody entering this compound?
Brother?
If you people want to make me the king of this village, you give me the kingship, I will wear the crown. What is all this?
See the way you're just scared. See, now woman though. See the way you're just... You cannot even do anything. See you. The man you just left.
Oh man, you will go, but you will not come back. You will not. Next time, try it.
She was here, you didn't do anything. Now she left. You are saying that you will do this. You will not do anything. Can
you imagine? So this, why is everybody attacking me for no reason?
Everybody attacking.
Why is everybody attacking me?
You the Abba character. Fighter.
See, I told you, I don't know why you're opening that gate. I don't know why you're opening that gate for people to be entering my compound anyhow, as if I'm the king.
Yeah.
You see this woman? I know why I'm keeping quiet though. So that you now say, hey, I'm fighting woman. I kept quiet. Now she has insulted me, you did not do anything. You did not say anything.
But now what do you want me to say?
There is nothing inside that girl.
But you are scared.
Ordinary Akpagari, there is nothing inside her.
100 kg.
You see this girl and Igwe, all of them will pay school fees for you. But since you are not supporting them to insult your own brother.
No,
you're supporting them.
No, you never reach. No, there is my school.
You will see.
Brother, no, there is my school.
You will see. See that since they will be fighting your brother, you did not even do any shaking. You were here and she was insulting me. Mama will pay for your school fees.
Brother, no, like, he never reach. See, brother, I don't tell you. See, the day where you go put yourself for trouble for you, I will leave you home.
Fly, yo. Fly like Peter. Fly. You better fly and leave me. Because by the time I will leave you, even your shadow will leave you too. When the school resume, no,
brother.
Mama, and all of them will give you transport money to go back to school.
Brother, I know they're chatting me with my school fees.
I will slap you.
Brother,
Brother, no, they chatting me with my school fees, oh. Brother.
Tochi, what happened to you?
My Lolo, Onoche, the son of late Oboako, did this to her. We are just coming back from the hospital. I'm afraid she might lose this eye.
Come. Your Highness. What did you do to him? No, sorry, my dear. What did you do to him?
I did not do anything to him, Your Highness. He was asking me out.
It's okay.
He said he likes me. I said, okay, then I'll think about it. He now started buying me gifts and giving me money. Today I was going home, he now met me. He now said I should give him all the money that he has given to me and the whole gift.
What?
That I did not want to do with him. I told him, I don't understand what you are talking about. I thought I said you should wait, I will think about it. He said no, that he did not want again, that I should give him all the money. I said I did not have the money and that he should follow me.
Okay, sorry.
Oh.
Sorry, my dear, sorry.
He should follow me to the house so that I will give him the money. He said no. He now started beating me. He now hits me on my eye.
It's okay. So sorry, my dear. I can see that idiot is mad. Guards!
Yes, Emergency.
Go to his house and bring that fool here immediately. Fast! He will soon be here.
Look for that anyway. I'm bitter blue black. See, if it's me, that girl will not leave my compound.
I should beat her?
Yes, now.
When you heard what I did to Tochi, you blame me, you blame Kwamo. Now you are telling me to go and beat another person.
I did not blame you. I did not blame you now. I only said that you did not try. Doesn't mean I'm not supporting you. People are there, so I have to blame you small. But you see that one? If it's me, I will kill that girl. How can she come to your compound and you are still talking? Look for her.
I will look for her.
Yes,
you see that girl? I will deal with that girl. But how far? Did you hear anything about Coach Itochi?
I never hear anything.
Okay. See the guys are coming. Are you sure they are not coming for Akachi?
No. Onoche! You have to come with us to the palace now.
Are
you police?
Can you imagine?
Yeah?
Everyone stay out of this. If you refuse to come with us, we are going to cut you.
Onoche!
Do something!
Do something like what?
Onoche! Don't make me drag you like a thief!
Come here with me!
No, let us go. Because I'm with you!
Are you with us?
I am with you! Because just go!
Come with me now!
Hey! Don't worry, go! Just go there! Don't worry, I'm coming!
Come now!
I am coming! Let me go and tell my mama first! I'm coming! Go now! Go! Stop standing with them! Hey! Woo!
You mean this?
Yes, Papa. Papa, you needed to see the way the prince carried her into the palace. But I don't know why they are stopping her from investigating about the king's death.
In that case, I will go to the palace to see her and talk to her myself. But remember, no one should know about this.
Okay, Papa. Papa, let me run back to the palace.
Yeah.
I will see you when you come.
I'll be there shortly. Lolo, I am on your case. I must find out why you are doing this and who you are doing it with.
How dare you? How dare you?
Have you gone nuts? So after fighting my son, I have been looking for you. you still have the guts to fight this girl to the extent of giving her such injury. Have you gone mad? Eh?
Your Highness. Onye na-egbu egbu na-ekpekwa ọnụ ya. Onye na-egbu egbu na-ekpekwa ọnụ ya. Agba na waka ino. She started it.
Why not? It's a lie. It's a lie.
Okay, Fugo.
You are not ashamed of yourself. You are not ashamed that you are fighting with a girl. Onochie, don't worry, after this time, I will see if you have the guts. If you ever lay your filthy hand on any girl in this community again. This is my judgment. Henceforth, Tochi will be living in your house till she gets well. Yes. Everything about her now is on you. Her hospital bill, her care, you'll be feeding her and make sure that she's alright. See, I would not want to hear that you compare her into doing any house chores. She's only in your house to eat and you'll be taking care of her. Wash her clothes. Take her for treatment. She is now under your care. Everything about her. I would not want to hear that you compare her into doing any house chores. You'll be the one taking her to the hospital. Hospital bill is on you. You will feed her, bathe her, wash her clothes and everything.
Your Highness, I'll not be tracking if he's taking me to hospital. You'll be calling cab for me.
Good. Yes, whenever you're taking her for treatment, you make sure you call a cab. She will not check to the hospital. Do I make myself clear? And my guards will be coming to monitor if you are taking good care of her. Eh? If you dare me, you will regret ever seeing me as your lolo in this community. Fool.
Okay, honest, but...
Shut up your mouth. You don't have to say anything. Ichie, this is okay. Calm down. I will take it off from here, okay? Guys, take her to his house. Make sure you take this girl to Onochie's house. Onochie, if I ever find out that you are not taking good care of this girl, after dealing with you, you will ever regret being member of this kingdom. Get out!
Thank you very much, Lord.
Your house.
Your house. Olona no me na welcome.
Get out of my yard.
Olona no me. Oh my God, that's no problem. Olona no me.
It's dangerous. It's very dangerous.
Your brother did not try at all. If he had injured that stupid prince, I wouldn't be complaining. He deserved to be injured.
Don't mind him. I kept on telling him that this thing he's doing is not nice though. But he wouldn't listen. He only does what Ezenwa tells him. If Ezenwa tells him now, put your hand inside the fire, he'll put his hand inside the fire. I'm telling you the truth. That my brother, he don't listen.
He should just pray that that girl does not go blind. Because if she goes blind, he will marry a blind girl. Yes.
He will marry her now. Does he have a choice? He doesn't have any other choice now. He will marry her. Me, I've told him, if he gets himself into trouble, me, I will leave him and go back to school. Me, I will run. I will not trek. I will pack my thing. I will run.
Calm down. Where are you running to? But school have not resumed now. See, honestly, I'm broke. Can you lend me some money?
I take God beg you, no start. No, just start. No start. Which one be? Can I lend you? Where you see the money? Where I want see money for this village? Me and you know say no rich guy for this village. All of them they broke as niggas. They tell me say where I want see money borrow give you. Where I want see.
Not true, sha.
My brother, what they collect more from? You don't see him now. You don't see in character. You don't bring out in back character. No way to collect money.
True, no guy, no reasonable guy did this town. But the problem now beside broke.
You know broke past me. Me I'm broke.
No, I am broker than you.
I'm the brokest. I've been broke past you.
Hired men and selfish elders. Why? Oginike Meregi. Why? What have we done wrong?
You're welcome. Thank you, my princess. My daughter told me that you wanted to see me.
Yes. Ichie, I would like to discuss certain things with you. And it's about things regarding the palace. I was thinking...
Wait. What is going on here? Ichie Achuzie, what are you doing outside? And what are you discussing with my daughter?
Nothing, Your Majesty. I just came.
Came in here and you did not come inside. Ruth, you are looking for my trouble.
I will teach you a lesson you will never forget in a hurry. And you are choosing? Why would you come into this palace? Instead of you to come inside, you decided to stay outside and gossip with my daughter.
Mom, I have a feeling that you are trying to hide something from me. What is the problem? I just want to discuss with Ichie. What is it?
Ichie! Hey, shut up! Don't ask me silly question. I should be asking you. Are you expecting anybody? Cheer lady.
Prince Clinton, Odogu want to go down. Ebua changigo, Odogu want to go down. Waka. Oh my goodness! Waka no go down for me. You jump, you jump, Odogu abata no
Who are you? You look good too.
Welcome.
It's good to be home. I saw mother just now.
Yes, she just stepped in.
My daughter, you've heard what the queen said. You will remain here. Let me go home and bring your luggage.
Papa, no. Papa, no. Papa, stop saying that. Papa, I will stay here. Please, I beg you, I will stay here. Papa, hunger will kill me here. I'm your child.
daughter, hunger will not kill you. One, the queen has decreed so. Secondly, you must remain here. Let me go and get the things. Obey, so that I can get him.
Papa, no. It's as if you are selling your only child. Papa, you selling me.
I am not selling you, my daughter.
Then let me go with you, please.
You won't go. Obedience is better than police sacrifice. Amen.
Ichie, you may now go and bring her things.
Thank you very much.
She will not go against the queen's commandments.
Thank you very much.
And as for you, Onochie, I know you not like the way we handle you.
You heard as my colleague have said. So be it.
We will go, but we'll still come back again to see how things are going. Huh?
People should tell the queen to come. I'm not staying here. Tell the queen. Tell the queen I'm not staying here. Tell the queen I cannot stay here.
I will not say anything yet. Nobody cries here. This place is not mortuary or burial ground.
What is going on here? Brother, what is going on?
Please, everybody should maintain peace and tranquility.
What happened? Touch it.
Don't even try it.
Why are you here? I say don't try it. Why are you here?
Don't even mention my name. Don't even ask me anything. Just ask your brother. As your brother is here. Don't ask me. I'm here, Kwania. Okay, I'm here now.
Brother, she said I should come and ask you. What happened?
She said you should come and ask me, and you came to ask me.
Now
I command you back. Go back to her and ask her too. Or you go and ask Lolo.
Mama, there is trouble. There's a very big problem right now.
Problem?
Sand is about to enter my garri.
No, what problem? What is going on?
The prince is back.
The prince?
Clinton, he is back.
What?
He just came back now.
Hey! This is so nice. This is so nice.
Prince Clinton is back. I don't understand. Oh, this is so nice. Clinton is back. I don't understand. Don't you know what is at stake here? You're saying he's nice. Eh?
You know what is going
on? He's cute, oh. He must be in money, yes. I'm not disputing that fact, but my problem here right now is that he is back in town. Why will he come back now?
Wait. What is really going on? Why are you not happy that the prince is back? Come on, just explain for me.
Mama, I'll see you later. Eh? Maybe later you come to my house. I need to go and see my father because I got people to kita. I will come to your house later and them. Aya.
My prince, you have to be strong. We did not have any means to reach you. Remember, it was only your father that had your number. Even Lolo here said she doesn't have your number.
I don't have it.
My father. My king. The lion himself. This wasn't our agreement. I had so much plan. I mean, so many plans for us. Now you're gone. Why?
That is how we see it. But we are still on it. We must apprehend the killers.
Exactly. I am already working on it, okay? Please, just be strong. Be a man.
It's alright. We'll be the one to bury our king and not the other way around. So it's okay, Ichie. I am fine. We'll talk about other things later.
It's
okay.
So fast?
That's not true. That's not true.
You see, that's not true.
It's not true.
Papa, it's true. It's true. I saw him with my two kolo eyes. You needed to see how he looks. Papa, he looks so rich. I'm telling you. Sister, this is good news. Oh. This is good news.
What's up again?
See. Wait, I'm coming. Let me go inside and dress. Let me go see him.
Okay, Papa. Eh? My problem right now is, why would he come back now? Eh? Why would he come back now?
But why are you not happy, sister?
Are you dumb?
Ha! Oh.
Eh? For the fact that he's back, Akachi will not be crowned the king anymore. Eh? What do I have left? No, what do I have left?
Sister, it's true. But you still marry the prince now. Akachi,
I don't want to marry a prince. I want to get married to a king. Don't you get it? For the making easy. Papa should do and let me know what's going on. But you see that Clinton, eh? He will never have that throne. He will never have it. Okay, forward there. Eh?
Look at you. Wow, you look amazing. I mean, how is America?
America is good. Awesome. God's own country.
I know, right?
Look at you too, baby sis. You're looking amazing. Gorgeous, I must say.
Thank you. Thank you.
Flawless skin. Ichie, how are you and the family?
Oh, we are fine, my prince.
Good.
Look at you, small boy of yesterday. You've grown so big.
Ichie, I'm no longer a small boy. I mean, I've been spending Christmas for decades now. But it's okay. Thank you so much. Thank you.
I love your feet.
Oh.
It scares me with that.
What's going on here? You all don't drink bottled water? I mean, this is palace. There should be bottled water here.
We're out of bottled water at the moment. But, okay, yes, go up to my room and get some money and buy it. I'm sorry, man.
It's okay. It's fine. Please, remember, I love.
But what are we going to do now? Talk to me.
I don't know. I don't even know. I think we'll have to wait for the elders. Why would that boy return at this point, at this time? Without notice or anything?
Well, something has to be done. I'm ready to do whatever it takes to take him out of my way. Whatever it takes.
Have you seen it? If your father had died since, this will not happen. Because I will not allow anybody to pick that crown from you. Nobody will take that throne away from you. It will be over my dead body. But one thing is this. You have to be very careful with your sister.
I'm not an idiot.
Tochi, you have to forgive my brother. It's just an accident.
What did you just say? An accident? Don't worry. Just don't worry. On a very good day, someone will do this to you. Then you will not call it an accident.
Tochi, stop now. It hasn't gotten to that.
No, it has gotten to Rito. The women supporting women.
She is right. She is right. It was just an accident. It was just an accident because you know me. You know me. Tell her to leave. Let her leave you.
Me leave. See, Onoche, you think you are stubborn. Don't worry. I will show you that I am more stubborn. You are not stubborn. I will show you. Don't worry. See, you will take care of me. You will take care of me. What did I say? You will take care of me. Anything I say you should do, you must do it. If not, I will go and tell the queen. And you know what the queen can do, Abi? You know what the queen gave me? Don't worry.
Brother, you don't have to argue with her. You don't have to exchange words with her. She's the one feeling the pain. You just have to feel sorry for her.
Feel sorry for who? The person that will keep her mouth shut? Or the one that her mouth will be running like tap water? You say I should feel sorry for? Then why should I feel? See, you know me, You know me. You know me. I know you. All the one all the boom 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 I did. Tell her I am very stubborn. And that apartment you can never do pomo with my auntie. Okay now. Tell her now. Because by the time it will start, there will be war and catastrophe.
Don't worry. Don't worry, you've jammed your type. Okay, the stubborn, Stubborn jugisi, Don't worry, ijamugo your type. Because my father is coming back with my clothes and some of them are dirty. So they are ready for you to wash everything there. Even my undies, you will wash everything. Ijamugo type, okay? How do you expect a grown-up man to wash your undies? How do you expect a grown-up man to beat me? What are you saying?
So, undies also queen.
So, tell me, which eye am I going to use and wash it? Or do you want to wash it?
I'm not washing it.
Oh, yeah, nah. So leave him to go and do everything now.
Hey. Talk something now.
What do you want me to say again? Brother, see
Don't worry. See, let me tell you. The queen said he will cook my food. Like he will serve me anything I want to eat. Then he will wash my dirty clothes. Then he will take care of me. Then he will pay all my hospital bills. So whenever I don't feel like trekking, if we are going to hospital, then he will call cab. And if he say he don't want to call cab, then he will carry me at his back. And failure to do so, I should come and tell her. So I don't even need to tell you what the queen will do. I don't need to tell you at all. Villager.
Yes, brother. Ibago coach one chance.
Which one chance?
Ibago moto one chance.
I will refuse to enter the one chance. Yes, I'll be on top of the car.
You cannot be on top.
I'll be on top of the car and push the car away. Which kind of one chance? Tell her.
Ibago.
Is that what you are saying? Is that your final answer?
Yes, now that's my final answer.
Yes, me and you will have entered it.
You and who?
Me and you.
Was I there when we beat
me and you will have entered it. You see, you are in trouble.
I don't understand.
You will enter trouble. For not advising me well.
Brother!
So that is it. I don't have anyone's contact here that will communicate with you people about my arrival. So for now, I'm done with everything I'm doing in America. I'm back for good.
You're truly welcome, my prince.
Thank you.
You are welcome, Prince Clinton. I am aware that you are not enlightened that I am the Ono, the second in command to your late father.
Oh, I'm just knowing. Nice to meet you.
By the way, where is your brother Akachi? He's supposed to be at this meeting.
I'll go and call him.
Okay, that's good.
Oh no. Why don't you go ahead and talk to our prince, the future king?
Okay, why do you always cause trouble? Eh? Well,
don't mind him. As I was saying, before I was rudely interrupted by the palace secretary, we have heard all he said. We will discuss about it together and know the next thing to do.
It's okay. Fine. I heard my father was killed in the bush. Is that true?
Same thing we had. But don't worry, we are on it. You know you come from a long journey, so you need to rest. Sleep. Then we will talk that with you later.
Yeah, oh no, you are right. You need to rest. Do you mean it, Chief?
Yes, so she's there with them. I'm just coming back from there after giving her bag.
That serves Onochie right. Let me see if he is not going to take care of her now. Kamfuzia?
That boy will suffer.
He will! Do you know that I went to his house and he dared me? Hi! What I would have done to him. He will regret it for the rest of his life. Useless guy. Do you know he did this thing because Tochi don't have anybody to fight for her? Mana nyadeba, no problem.
Hey, can you imagine this? If her late brother was alive, can Onochie do that to her?
Hi.
Eh?
Ichie, Ebena. Ebena, Akwa, don't worry. Just calm down. Leave everything to me. Tochi is like a junior sister to me. So just leave everything to me. I will go there often to check on her. And if Onochie tries any nonsense, I will gather the village boys and they will beat him for me.
Good. Thank you very much, my daughter.
You're welcome. You're welcome, Ichie.
Let me head home. Because I'm tired. I need rest.
So just go home and rest. I will come and check on you later.
Listen and listen real good. I'm warning you for the last time.
Be careful. Be careful around this vicinity, else what will befall you will be greater than you.
Mom, are you hearing what he's saying and you're saying nothing?
Do not call me. Ruth, you don't really know your mother. That is why you are misbehaving. Let me sound this. Let me make it very clear to you. No man born of a woman will ever collect that crown from my son. Not even that your useless step-brother. So if you feel you can mess around with him, misbehave with him, go ahead and do that. But don't worry. Wait for what will befall both of you.
Can the both of you just stop already? Can you stop? You know me, I will not rest until I find out what killed my father. And as for the throne, it belongs to Clinton. I will not be the one to fight for Clinton, but I will never stop him from doing what is right.
And if you are not careful, what killed your father will kill you. You are too young to be looking for what killed your father. Mom,
did you hear what your son said? Your son is threatening me.
Ruth, I will give you the last chance. If you think you can mess with me or to challenge me, if you think you come here and spoil things for me, my fire will consume you.
Ruth, get out!
You are entrusting the safety of the land to hired men and selfish elders. Why?
Where are you? I'm hungry.
Why? What have we done
Sorry, take. What is this?
Indomie.
Yes, Indomie. That's the only food we have in this house. We don't have any other food here. So you have to eat it.
I'm sorry, I cannot eat it.
Eh?
I cannot eat this Indomie. It's not possible. Just call your brother for me.
I don't understand. What do you mean by I cannot eat this Indomie? So what do you want to eat?
I said I cannot eat this Indomie. Call your brother for me. I want to eat rice and turkey.
You want to eat rice and turkey?
See, I'm going to report you people. See, I'm going to go to the palace now and I'll report you people. You people know what the queen can do, Abi. You people know what the queen will do.
You want to eat rice and turkey? Do you used to eat that kind of food in your father's house? Or have you ever eaten such food in your father's house?
Hey.
With the other rice and turkey?
See, I don't have anything to say to you. Just call your brother for me. Okay? Because if you do not call your brother for me, I will shout too. Like I will shout, everybody will hear my voice.
Hey. See, better stop this your drama. I don't like this, you know. I'm not the one that hit you. Was I there when he blinded your eye? Eh?
See, let me tell you. Please, what I need is good food. You know I'm taking medicine and the medicine I'm taking is very, very strong. So please, you should just give me good food so that I will eat and take my medicine.
Don't worry, let me call him so that you both can sort your issues out.
Call him.
It's none of my business. But don't come here and start selecting food for me. If not, that your eye will blind.
It's your own that will blind. It's your own eye that will blind.
Oh no, it's like this thing is not moving at all. The boy came back well prepared. Don't you hear him? He said he's going to demolish the palace and build new one for himself. Huh? The boy also threatened that he's going to fish out those that killed his late father, the king. Oh no, I don't want to die.
Do you know my problem with you? You always claim to have minds, but you don't have one. Iwerobi. Iwerobi. They will come in thousands, but do not panic. I am the brain behind everything. I am the master planner. This is not a good place for us to talk. Let us go to another place. I have told Lolo to come and meet us there. Let us go.
Oh no. I don't want anything to happen to me.
If this is how you behave like a vegetarian, I will drop you.
That's what serves him right. He should count himself that Tochi's brother is dead.
Nem, I finished him today. Good. Trust me now. I gave him the insult of his life.
Nice
and
one.
Atantimata.
But that is not my problem right now. I'm telling you the honest truth. Since I came back from the palace, I have not been myself at all.
What is going on? Or Maka Clinton?
Yano now, yes. It's because of him. I am tired. I cannot take this any longer. I am patiently waiting for my father to come back so that I will know their own plans. He cannot be a king. Clinton cannot be the king. What is all this? The only reason why I love Akachi is because I know he's going to be the king. Yes, so. And once he loses the throne, girl, Akachi loses me as well.
Are you being serious?
I am damn serious.
Sister, the food is ready.
I am not hungry.
But why? You've not eaten since morning.
Very good in them. You have not eaten since morning. Why?
No, for. What am I eating for? I'm in a very big trouble right now. You are telling me to eat. I don't want to eat. No, all the food I have been eating since all these years. What have I achieved? Come and eat. I'm not eating. I'm not interested. If you're hungry, go inside and eat.
Sister, why are you talking like this? Our house is not on fire. Oh.
So I say you should get out from me. Leave here. I'm not hungry. For the making you see.
Nemo, we need to talk now. Because I don't know what is going on.
Honestly, you are not leaving this house unless you give me my food. Give me the food I demanded. You are not going anywhere. I am not leaving you. I am not leaving. See, you will not go out of this house until you give me the food I demanded. You cannot leave this house until you give me the food
I want.
Ajolo, are you with us?
Yes.
You are seeing it now. Tell her to leave me. Oh. Tell her to leave me. Oh. Hey, I'm very stubborn. Oh. Tell her to leave me. My anger is coming back now. My anger is pumping.
No.
It's coming back. Oh.
Don't worry. Let your anger come back. Onoche, your anger should come back. In this house, I am here with you people and I'm not going anywhere. I am your due. Let me tell you, if you, in your next life, if you hear Tochi, Onoche, you will run.
Tochi, calm down.
You will run.
Calm down now. This is not how you both will undergo this punishment. Calm down.
Hey, he's the one undergoing the punishment, though, not me. He is the one. So please, just tell your brother to give me the food I want.
Hey. People should bear me witness though that I'm a very stubborn person. I'm a very stubborn person. I will react.
Don't react.
I will react. Oh.
Nico, don't react.
Hey, Onochi, react. Onochi, react. I want you to react. Do it. Just do it.
Don't react. See, brother, run away. She's a temptation. Problem. Please avoid her.
You call me temptation?
Yes.
See, in your next life, don't you ever call me that name again. If not, I will give you a dirty slap. Front and back.
Look at this one. Don't try it with me, oh. See, I'm not my brother, oh. Don't try it with me. See, if you try it, I will beat you. You see this your remaining eye? I will punch you and it will be.
Go and beat your mother.
Ajolo.
Go and beat your mother.
Wait for your own problem. When your own problem comes, you beat your own problem. So you enter your own punishment, please.
See, let me tell you, the time for me to take my drugs is here. Please, you push, just go and give me my food. Let me eat. See, if I count 1 to 10 and I did not see my food I will run to the palace and I'll go and report you people. See, you people don't even want me to tell you what the queen will do. Remember, you are in the queen's backbone.
Brother, I'm not going to give her food.
I'm counting 1.
Give her food now.
I should give her food.
2.
Okay then. Okay then.
Don't you have money? Give her now.
Please, go to my room. On the bed there, you see the trouser I keep there. Search the trouser, you see money there. Bring money for her, please. Go and get her something she wants.
But don't try whatever your life.
Go. Don't
try.
Go and tell your mother.
Leave me now. Leave me.
Don't call my mother again.
Don't call my mother. Don't call my mother. Don't call my mother. I will block the other eye.
Go to the grave. You should go and beat your mother.
I'll block the other eye. I'll block the other eye.
Thank God she's there.
I'll block the other eye.
Go and go to the grave.
I'll leave my clothes.
3.
Leave my clothes.
4.
Leave my clothes now. You shall go to bring money for you.
5. I am not leaving you till you bring the money. I'm not going anywhere. You'll be here till you bring the money.
Babe, this is a nice suggestion. I'm telling you.
This suggestion is the nice one.
I'm telling
my
you.
My dear, shine your eyes. Shine your eyes very well. This life that you are seeing is very hard. Can you try joining the life in hardship? Don't try it. After all, you owe nobody. You owe nobody. If I were in your shoes, here can get me.
Hey, Chai. This is why I call you my right-hand friend. Thank you very much. This is good. I will do exactly as you have just said right now.
You have to.
But you see the way Akachi is going with all those things. He's going to lose this war. Yes, the way I'm seeing it, he's going to lose this war.
He is losing already.
And I don't want to cry at the end of this whole thing.
Cry?
Yes, so I told me back, cha. The next thing Akachi will come and tell me, baby, try and understand. I understand. I don't want to understand anything.
Ibu understanding girlfriend.
So
you have nothing to understand. Focus. Focus. My dear, this is your opportunity. Grab it. Chikonya, Jidia. Don't let them go.
I will shine my eyes.
Shine it.
I will sit up. I will not even allow Miriam.
I trust you. See Akachi. Please, Akachi.
Can you imagine?
What am I going to do now? What is my mother and brother up to? Why are they so against me finding out what happened to the king? I know my mother. She has the heart of a lion. I can't trust this woman again. But I don't even have any evidence against them. So I don't need to raise alarm yet. I have to pipe low so that I'll get to the root of this matter.
Hey! Baby sis, you're here.
Yes, how are you doing?
I'm fine. You don't look bright. Is that the problem?
No, I'm fine. I'm fine. How about the elders?
Oh, they're gone. Baby sis, I'm your brother. You're my sister. I mean, my favorite. Whatever worries you, right? Let me know. I will always stand by you anytime, any day.
Thank you.
Yes, I want us all to live in peace in this palace. But then, your mother and your brother, they seem not to be happy I'm back.
No, don't say that, no. Everyone is happy, they are happy. But they've just been busy with, one or two.
It's okay. No problem. But tell them that I mean well for them. Right? When they come back, we're going to talk. Talk about a whole lot of things.
That's good.
Right? It's alright. I'll just go inside and unpack my things.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
So, I'll see you then.
See you.
Okay.
This Senate. A prince that means well for the kingdom. I just don't know why mom is so stubborn. Like, what is all this? What is all this?
I'm telling you, guy, I will enjoy that girl. That girl is pretty stubborn. I will deal with her. Talk to her. Find a way and talk to her. I know what I'm saying. I want this girl. I'll squeeze her neck. I will deal with this girl. Talk to her. I know why I'm doing this punishment. And she don't want to respect herself. Talk to her.
But why should they behave like that?
I don't know.
Huh? Why should they treat you like this?
I know why I'm doing this. I know that the queen hates me. You see that woman? I know she hates me, but no problem. I know why I'm doing this thing for just one reason. If not, I'm about war. I don't care.
No talk that one. I beg. You know say this woman hates you. And if you no do that punishment where she give you, they go declare you wanted for this village. And you know what you mean. Imagine where everybody for this village, they look for you. That man where you insult that day, go carry one big stick. Imagine that man, they hit you. So all you need to do, Nana, calm down. Do the punishment. If they say make you wash clothes, wash clothes. If they say make you go buy food, do them. If they say make you go to Papa house, go sweep, go do them. Make everything together. But wait, I know like now, why should they add up for your punishment?
Can you imagine?
I bet no verse.
As John Umoji.
Sorry.
I'm John Umoji. Can you imagine nonsense?
Sorry.
Oh. See, I know why I'm telling you this, If you know anyhow you will talk to her. Because one day, I'll break her neck. Last, I'll run away. I will run away. After somebody could run away, I will run away. I will run away. I will talk to her.
If you run away, me they go catch. No.
They'll catch you. Talk to her so that she will maintain.
Don't worry, I go talk to her. Hey.
Nonsense. I be make a John Umoji nanya. Because I'm keeping quiet.
Papa, he said this? Yeah.
That means he has money, Papa. Eh? There is trouble, oh. There is a very big trouble.
There is.
Hey!
There is a very big trouble. But don't worry. I have something big. I have another plan.
Okay.
If worse become worse, we take him out of the way.
Papa, whatever people are doing, do it fast. Because me, I have my own plans. I have my own plans. I don't want to lose at the end.
I cannot lose now.
Because I don't want to do what the ear will hear and shuts down.
No.
I don't want to do it to Papa. Sister, don't do anything bad though. Don't just do anything bad before you burn down this house. Okay, money on Ajakam. Okay, money on Ajakam.
Happy now. My daughter, listen. Like I said before, I have plan B. You cannot lose now. My daughter will never lose. You never lose.
I will not lose. So.
Let me tell you. The plan B is going to favor us. You're not going to lose. We must get something from there. You can't lose anything.
Mwah. Hey, I will not lose. I will never.
No. Ha. I am by the other side. Nka fellow. Piam. Cause Abai. Nai. Are you serious?
I'm telling you. As it stands now, we may lose.
Never. I will not let it happen. You will never lose your position as you know in this community. What we are going to do, we are going to change our plan. If it comes to worst, we will change our position to his own side. Yes.
That is my plan B. But let's be going first. Kainaga Nubi, Kajinaka.
Yes.
But I don't want Ume to think I have left him in our official plan.
I don't even care. He has his own interest. You have your own interest. Face your own first. Let me go and bring food for you.
You are right. This boy. I can see you are ready. Money rules the world. I am with you. Esongerazo.
I don't want to talk to you. If I want to talk to you, I said I don't want to talk to you. You irritate me. Avoid me. You irritate me.
Hey, this is so unfair. We are men, alright? We are meant to talk to each other, understand each other. Why this so unhealthy welcome?
Because you are trying to reap where you did not sow.
Yes, you cannot reap where you did not sow.
I don't understand what's going on here.
How do we explain this? I've been here with Father. I stood by him. I've been learning how to rule our people. All of a sudden, he came back from America and want to reap where he did not sow? No, it won't happen.
What the hell is going on here, for God's sake? The throne is my inheritance. Mother.
Who is your mother?
Why are you guys saying this?
You dare not call me mother this time.
Did you just call us guys? This is an insult on royalty. This is my problem with you. Listen, you cannot come back from nowhere and take what rightfully belongs to me.
Akachi, can you just stop it?
Are you okay?
What are you doing here?
What do you
want to do? Condemn your eyeballs.
This is unfair. This is so unfair. He's trying to bring peace here. Stop it.
Can you stop this? What do you want to do? You want to hit a woman? Are you okay?
She's my sister. I can choose to slap her 10 times a day.
She's my sister too. Calm down. What is this?
You will never become king. Read my lips. You will never become king.
Period. Baby, now listen to me. I am warning you. Know your boundary. Do not cross it.
No!
And you. Ruth. Bachelor.
I came here for peace. Not for anything. I want peace to reign here.
Who are you to do this? Clearly you do not belong here. Read my lips. Go back to wherever you are coming from.
You must be joking, because this is where I belong. Here.
Can you
stop?
Just come back from nowhere to come and start dragging the show with my son. Ruth, I don't want to see you here again. Get out. Get out! Ruth, I said get out. Very good.
Okay. Huh? Nine, please.
Please, just allow him first. We'll settle this thing here, please. Biko no. Please.
Let me ask you. Where was he when the queen decreed that he should take property of my daughter? And what is he doing now? How am I to open the here like this?
Ichie, see what you are doing to me.
Yes.
You are insulting me in my own house. I don't want to no, bro. This is my own house. You are insulting me like this because I'm an elderly person. Ichie, one day I will grow old. One day I will grow old. I have white beard.
Okay. Are you with us?
Papa, don't leave him. Don't leave him. Because I'm going to the palace to go and invite the Lolo and the guy.
Toti, please don't go. Please, let us stay here and settle this thing. It's not now. Please wait. Just wait. He will do everything you want. Please.
Yes. So if you want me not to go, just tell him to do as the queen instructed.
No problem. Okay.
Cham.
In
fact, I'm coming.
Go and come. Ichie, this is not fair. This is not fair.
What is fair and what is not fair? What you are doing to my daughter? Was it fair?
Ichie, anya juge bukwago. Anya juge bukwago. Okay. Anya juge bukwago.
Why may I be kanya juge?
Ichie, I was in the IC. Ichie, cool down.
Here. Wash them.
Wash.
Ichie, wash. As you watch woman clothes.
Exactly.
Are you with us?
No, why you dey beat me, no Nabi? When you were beating me, you don't know Abi? Watch it. Ichie fun wa ki ti kwa ya duka.
Ngba, bori e.
Ichie fun wa ki ti kwa ya duka. You've not seen anything yet.
It's not even
saying.
Please, hold this thing.
Nine, hold it.
You cannot hold it for me.
Mbalo, how can I hold pants for you? Let me go and bring pocket for you.
Let me go and bring pocket.
Yes.
Babe.
Baby, what is it?
I'm not happy.
Why are you rushing to like an Agberu man?
It's me and Clinton today. Meanwhile, I'm coming to see you and your father.
My God, baby. Baby, when will you realize that you are a prince? Seriously, I don't like how you behave. When Clinton sees you, the way you behave, you have leverage over you, he will not be happy. What has come over you? You're walking so careless.
Tell me where it is written how princes should be walking. What's your problem now? I'm being myself. You're saying I don't have packaging. How do you want me to?
I am going to switch parties. Oh.
Excuse me?
Yes, you heard me right. I am going to switch parties. Let me tell you, I am tired of telling you how to behave like a prince. I am tired. What is your problem?
You will switch parties?
Yes, I'm going to switch.
Are you that baseless?
You need to compose yourself. You need composure. Because you are walking like an Agberu man. How can you?
Show me where it is written on how princes should be walking. What is your problem now? Okay, I've heard you. I will package. I will change my walking step. I will try.
Seriously, I don't like it. Don't you know that when Clinton sees you like this, the way you are behaving, he will be so happy that he have leverage over you, and it's not making sense. You need to pack a long way go on, no? Walk like a prince. Walk like a king.
Okay. Let's go.
What kind of human being is this? You need to put yourself together.
Leave my clothes, oh. You're looking for my trouble.
Madam, you are very stupid. You must give me reason why you said my brother is a thief.
Is he not?
You still get mouth.
Leave my clothes, oh.
You still get mouth.
Leave my neck, oh.
You still get mouth.
You're looking for my trouble. Leave me,
oh. Leave me, oh.
Leave me, oh.
You still get mouth.
Leave me, oh.
Stop, oh. What is going on?
Mama, see me, oh. See me in sweet trouble.
Okay.
Look at this fool. Because he was trying to insult my sister and the prince, I only told her that what his brother did was wrong. By fighting the prince and injuring Toshi, did I do wrong?
You think?
Okay.
Give me one reason why this idiot, a fool, will open a dirty mouth and call my brother a he-goat. I run up again.
As if he's not.
Mana Cherugodo,
Is that why you're holding her?
Yes.
Oh, no, your brother Aburewu.
What do you mean?
Is your brother not a goat?
What do you mean by that?
Yes.
Oma! Oma! I know you're having issue with my brother. That one is none of my business.
You got it right.
Oma, respect yourself. Respect yourself. That is how you go around all this village. Put your mouth into something that doesn't concern you. Oma, respect your old age, oh. Oma, I know I'm keeping quiet for you. As for you, As for you,
are you mad? Is something wrong with you? Is something wrong with you? Are you mad? Is something wrong with you? You want me to wound you? Foolish girl. Go home and tell them your brother that I am not done with you people. Like brother, like sister. As for you, come here. As for you, come here.
My daughter is right. Do what she said. If your wife to be say you should package, then start packaging for her.
My in-law to be, packaging demands a lot of things, like cash, cars, you know. She's talking about upgrade in general. I will, okay? I will. I've started by changing the way I work, and I'm expecting money to upgrade other things around me, so I will. But having said that, I would like us to proceed with the marriage procedures. Yes, let's seal up that one.
Yes.
God.
You are right. Let's start. Let's start.
Papa, we have to hold on. No? We have to hold on and see after today's meeting. Yeah. We have to hold on so that we can know the outcome of it. Oh.
Are you doubting my victory?
I'm not. It's just that I don't want anything less than a queen. So I want to make it clear to you. Whatever you are doing, make sure you become the king. Yes, so however you want to achieve it, just make sure you are the head. Because I don't know what else to do. Oh. I don't know what else to do.
Now you're sounding desperate. Relax, I'm in charge.
I'm not sounding desperate. I'm just stating the facts.
It's okay. It's okay. My in-law to be. She's right. You have to fight like a man.
Tell him, oh Papa.
Because I don't want my daughter to lose. Because if she does, then who will gain everything that we have planned. Because I trust you. I know that you will win the fight.
No problem. Like I said, I'm working on all that. It's okay. I will upgrade. And trust me, I will win. I will become the next king.
I trust you.
I've not lost all my life, and I can't start losing now.
I trust you.
You get me a bottle of stout now.
Wow. Sika. Hey. Now we have a good prince.
This is what we call rich prince. See the way he respects us. It's good to be trained abroad though. It's good.
Better mind what you say. Better mind what you say, because my hand and my leg, dey.
If your hand no dey, make your leg dey.
Okay.
What do you mean? As if you're not happy the prince is here to save us from suffering.
I wonder. If Prince Clinton later becomes the king, he might even save us from all this suffering. Who no like better thing? Abi, you like how we are suffering in this palace? He might even increase our salary from 8,000 to 25,000.
25,000?
Yes.
Okay.
This girl is just so annoying. See, my own is, I cannot wait for him to be king. See, I pray Akachi does not succeed. If not, we will all suffer. You see this your eye to go inside.
You know what? I'm out of here.
Go,
bet me. No, people should bet me. By the time Queen comes back, I must tell her everything people have been saying.
Get out.
Go and tell her. Go and tell her.
This girl is a witch.
I'm a bomb maiden.
This girl is
pure winch. Pure winch.
Enemy of progress.
Oh no, this is the 20,000 naira. The money I was owing you. Take.
Nzakonobi, I thought we have agreed for you to forget about this money. Why are you worrying yourself over it?
Agreed? You have worried me so much about this money. But thank God though, the prince came back and gave us some money. I can comfortably give you this money now. Oh yeah, take.
Nze, why are you behaving like a woman? I told you to forget about this money. Eh? You didn't kill them, make a wine.
Oh no, you take this money.
Nah, this is money you are rejecting, no. Imukwanya.
You know, we take your money. Take your money. Everybody should be on his lane. Day your day. Let me day my day. Let everybody know his boundary. And
Nah.
What is it?
Look at this goat that I'm trying to help. It's not your fault. I ask you to forget about the money so that I can bring him over to my side and use him. Nonsense.
It's obvious he stands with the prince. Now, you have to find a solution to solve this problem. If not, we are going to lose your position as no. And it's because of your position that I married you.
It's again. What did you say? You marry me because I'm no.
How can a beautiful woman like me marry an ugly man, black man with children?
Is it not better to lose the position to a young girl than to keep an old woman like you?
I feel cool.
Kobia Miss Guinea. You got some wapu.
Nah, I feel cool.
Mba.
So I can. Okay. You are rejecting the money, Abi? You are rejecting it, Abi?
I'll give you.
You don't reject, is it?
Instead of me to lose the position here, man, something must happen. Now, to let go. I'll give you.
Reject it now.
Tochi, you see this, my friend, yeah? Do anything you do, make him suffer. Somebody cannot blind you like this and go scot-free. Don't allow him. If you have more pants, more dirty clothes, bra, everything inside, bring it, let him wash.
Don't worry. I'll make him suffer.
Yes.
Tomorrow, if you see any girl again, you will not beat that person. He's very, very wicked.
Woman beater. I was telling him. I told him the way he's treating you.
I know.
But see it now.
I know.
He doesn't love you.
I know.
I know. So make him suffer. He needs to pay for his crime.
You think he has money that he can do anyhow?
Does he have money?
Nothing. He did not even have anything.
Sometimes I'm the one borrowing him money.
You see, I know. Thank you so much, Ro. Thank you.
It's just that, you know me. Don't worry. Everything will be fine. My friend, you see my friend Onochi. Just take it easy with him, This Onochi is really trying.
I don't get what are you saying.
You need to understand now. It's not everything that's on. But you see me, you need to start seeing me. You're looking at me now. Looking at me.
The way I'm seeing you, it's as if you like me.
I love you.
Are you serious?
Yes, now.
With my eyes like this.
With your one eye, I will adore you. I swear.
I don't... Honestly, I'm still in pain. You need to give me a little chance. Let me...
I will give you a chance, but you need to give hope to it. Me, I will adore you. I will love you with your one eye. Don't mind this boy. I used to beat woman. God forbid me beat a woman. He's a woman beater. If you still give him chance, he will blind you.
I know. He's very, very wicked.
Let him suffer. Then me and you, I be to solid. You will enjoy it. Yes, now. I will love you.
Don't worry. I will try. I will.
Yes, that's what I'm talking about. That boy. No. I don't support you. Look at fine girl like you. This guy will be beating you. Sometimes I will tell him, if you don't love this girl, let her go.
What is going on here?
You don't have eyes? Are you suffering from river blindness?
Brother?
You have seen it now. You have seen it too. See me now. You see me now washing pants.
Brother?
Washing woman pants.
Better wash it.
Because I'm keeping quiet too.
Whose
clothes are you washing?
It's a whose pant?
Okay. Whose pant? Whose pant are you washing?
You've seen it now. Because I'm keeping quiet now.
He's washing.
Like make noise. Eh? And you will see
Papa.
what you did to yourself.
Papa, just look at he's
Get
washing
me.
my pants. Papa, look at what he's doing.
Don't worry,
He's
let
washing
him
it
bear
very
me.
well.
What can be doing here?
Iche, wash my pants very well. This is not fair.
This is
Eh?
not fair.
How can you ask a full grown-up man to be washing pints? Where were you when a full grown-up man blinded my eye? Tell me, where were you? Where were you? Tell me. Toxic family.
Are you not aware that he is carrying out the queen's instruction? Oh, maybe both of you connive to kill my daughter. Up here?
Yes, Iche,
Eh?
nobody is killing anybody here.
Ah.
Moreover, this your daughter.
Ah.
This your daughter.
Ah.
She's very stubborn. Ochaka Omaka again, she's very, very stubborn.
Yes, stubborn. You are very stubborn. Hey, see, it's your mother that was stubborn. Don't even ever call me that name again.
What?
For your life. For your full life. No call my ma. For your full life. See, I'm the full life. For your full life. No call my ma. You dey crazy. So if I call your mama, I will beat you. I will blind your second eye. You're blind. Blind it.
Don't dare do that.
No, blind it.
Don't
Papa.
lay your
Papa,
dirty
leave
hands
her.
on
Let
her.
her blind
Otherwise,
my
I will
eye.
use this to knock her.
Iche, help my cool this thing. This thing not good now. Why would she call my mother? Don't dare call my dead mother again. What's all this thing? There's no way you talk this thing. I will stop watching this clothes and nothing will happen. I will stop watching it and nothing will happen.
Papa,
I'm keeping quiet.
killed their mother. Yeah, are you okay? Are you mad? Are you okay? Are you mad? Are you mad? Are you okay? Touch me now.
Iche.
Touch me.
I will react.
Touch me. You are still talking.
In fact, Iche.
You are still talking.
You see this clothes? I'm not washing it.
Don't wash it again. Anything that want to happen,
Let it
wash
happen.
my clothes.
Let it
You will
happen.
not wash it again.
Call my mother again.
Papa,
For your
he's
own
not washing
good.
it.
I'm mad again.
She will not be there. Oh. She
You are
will
not
not be
washing the
there. Oh.
Papa, I should go.
Go.
Go and report. No, now.
Uh-huh.
Sakwaya of Masai me with a buy me about Nyokonyona, the sapia sapo. Sapoya sapo, no stay.
Okay,
start washing this.
Yes,
See how a woman's pant is made like a being round.
very bad. Wash it very well.
Woman that
Wash it, see here, wash it. Fine girl
woman
with
that I'm going to
dirty
sleep.
pussy. Yes.
Don't mind her.
Wash it. Wash it very well. Rubbish. Wash it, oh! See in this house, see in this house, I will deal with you. Brother, brother, I will not live in this house with this nonsense human being, this girl. I will not tolerate this nonsense. So this are bad character. I will kill her before her time. Oh.
Don't kill her.
I'm telling you now, I will kill her daughter before her time. Oh. Angelo, it's not possible. She has to go. See,
Galadima.
I don't even have problem with you. If you want fly to heaven. Don't even come back to this place again. As for you, no leave, no transfer. Me and you, I boost on our village. Well, we're not going anywhere. Because wash my pants. See all this place. Where you were beating me, you don't know. See this place now. Here.
Did I beat you in your pants?
Wash them. Wash
Did
it
I
very
beat your
well.
pants?
See, I cannot see.
Okay.
Did I beat your
cannot see
pants?
with my eyes.
Okay, go ahead.
Let's go ahead.
You, my elders, are so welcome. But don't worry. I am going to make sure that every one of you, this kingdom, is happy. I will rule you all so well with positive impacts. I mean, just like my father, the late king, did before his demise.
My prince, thank God you came back. I want to assure you that nothing can stop you from ascending the throne.
My prince, don't worry. As for the prediction, we'll teach you all you need to know.
Thank you. Oh, here comes my brother and his beautiful girlfriend. Brenda, right?
Yeah, Brenda.
Okay, Brenda, come on, join us and celebrate. My car just arrived, so I'm celebrating. Come sit.
Oh, nice.
Stop disgracing me. So you've not seen red wine before?
Baby,
If you about red wine.
Stop now, let's be polite to him, please. It's not sounding bad.
Alele.
My brother, please take it easy. All right, take it easy. Don't worry, okay? Don't worry. Once you're done with my brother, come back. I will give you 200,000.
Yes, my
Madam,
prince.
go in.
What is it? Why are you so harsh?
Onyoma, see why? Onyoma, see why?
I'm only trying to, share love.
Hey, share love. Father Christmas, be careful. Be careful.
My prince, that girl would have made a good, but she is in the wrong hands.
Exactly. Did I say anything wrong?
Nothing, my prince.
You are not collecting a dime from that idiot, and that's some period.
You are joking, no? You don't even know what you're saying. I should not collect what? Have you ever given me money in your life before? No, have you ever given me such amount in your life before? Do you even know what that money would do for me?
Do you know that you are already cheating on me with my brother? Do you know? You are flirting with him. I saw the way you were smiling because you've never seen red wine before. He promised you 200,000. All of a sudden, he now just
unless you want him to take me away from you. What is your problem? Didn't you hear what he said? That he wants to appreciate his brother's woman.
As again, you
just think responsibly. Why are you thinking like an Agbero man? What is your problem?
Father Christmas? Is he Father Christmas? Why is he trying to entice you with money? And you are falling for it. I can see you have already fallen for him.
Akachi, you don't have packaging in you.
You have fallen for him now.
What is all this?
What is it? What's going on here? Brenda, what is it?
Is he not your brother? Is he not your brother? What is all this? Can you imagine, we came here, we met your brother outside drinking. He offered us a drink instead of him to say, oh, I'm not drinking, I'm not interested. He started shouting, yelling outside. Your brother even offered to give me 200,000 naira. He asked me to refuse the money for what? I will do no such thing. Has he ever in his life dashed me even 20,000 naira? He has never.
You needed to see how this.
Please, I'm out of here. I'm not in for this.
Because she saw my brother.
Can you imagine?
You needed to see how this idiot was behaving because they promised her 200,000. She was smiling like an idiot.
Even though you're not yet his wife, you have the right.
I wonder.
Wait, guys, my phone. Give me your account number. Put it here.
My prince.
Yeah, go ahead.
Here, my prince. Thank you very much. God bless you, my prince.
Set.
Let me check. Oh my goodness. My prince. Hey, thank you very much, my prince. Thank you. Hey, my God will bless you. Oh, Dikeh. Hey, thank you, my prince. Oh my God, this is you.
Akachi, why are you so bitter? What is it? What is the problem? You're too bitter. Excuse me.
I'll give you bitter. Mom, this girl is crazy.
What is going on outside here?
I don't know. That idiot that calls himself my brother wants my girl. He is enticing her with money. All of a sudden he's offering wine, promising 200,000 naira. What? I will kill him, oh. I will kill him. He should avoid my girl.
You mean Clinton?
Yes, now.
And brother is falling for it?
Yes. Maybe money no now. Okay. Thank God, now that poison can move.
Joy. How are you? I'm fine. Mama. Where is your sister? She went to the palace. She's not around, yeah.
Hi. Do I still wait for her?
There you come. Oh! Here she comes. Where's Papa? Papa went to see alone. From there they'll go to the palace.
Hey! I'm so happy today.
Someone is happy.
I am happy, oh yes, oh. Hey, baby, it has happened.
I'm telling you the honest truth. Hey! Can you imagine that I followed that stupid Akachi to the palace? And the Prince Clinton, gave me 200,000 naira.
What?
Yes, so it's a lie.
To appreciate me.
It's a lie.
To appreciate this beauty.
It's a lie.
Also, it's a lie.
It's a lie.
Sister.
I go lie for you. No, Oma, I go lie for you. Jilanya gi kiliwe. Hey, kiliwe sama.
Thousand.
Oh, what thousand. Hey,
this guy is in money.
You can say that again.
Ojiego.
Oji badego. Oji, too much money. Can you imagine that? Akachi. Hey, Akachi was telling me to refuse the money. Telling me to refuse the money, oh. Can you imagine? He even wanted to slap me.
What? And why would Akachi refuse you from taking such amount of money?
You are making sense today. You are making sense.
Can you imagine? Hey! You know, I told you that I regret ever accepting Akachi in my life. Hey. But you see today, Okwifuru today, it has ended.
Bam.
Oh, and they go.
Hey.
I told him, as for Prince Clinton, he will be the one to marry me. Oh yes, he will be the one to marry your sister.
Chakam.
Oh, Chakam now.
You always make the right choice.
You can say that
all
again.
the time.
You can say that again. You know why I love you? You're a good friend. You always support me.
Always.
You always support me. Oh.
You carry I go market.
You can say that again. I love good taste. I love, you know where my hand is right now. And I'm not gonna lie.
You mean they said that?
Yes, I
Oh.
Akachi, did you think that?
They are all in hot soup. I will so deal with them.
There'll be no need for that. You will not touch them. They are all fired. The person is to fire them. You know we have plans. Ojunwa?
Yes, my queen.
You are in charge of cooking this week.
Yes.
You have a job to do.
Okay, my queen.
You may leave.
Come here. Don't forget, whatever we say must not be heard outside.
Yes, my queen.
Use away.
In a situation like this, we need to be very, very careful. We have to take it cool. If not, people will start saying what they have in mind. You know what that means?
Nah, no, Mife people. They can say whatever they want. People are brondala.
Take it easy. Okay?
My dear, that is it though. That is it. But that serves my brother right. Yes, that serves him right. You see my brother? He deserves it. So that next time he will respect himself. I'll tell you the truth.
Now wow. What kind of trouble is this one now? Eh? Well, now you push Kukuma send her away now.
Eh? Yes. It's not possible. We cannot send her away. It's not possible. Do you want to get us into more trouble? Eh? Ha. Me, I'm thinking to leave this village. Oh. I have to leave this village.
And you think that's a good idea?
Do I have any choice?
No, that is not even a good idea. In fact, it is not. You can't even think of that. I think the only option you have now is to keep begging her. Because obviously she's a thorn in your flesh.
I said she is a big one. A big one at that. I'm telling you.
This is problem.
Talk of the devil. Actually, I am hungry. It's time for me to take my drugs, so I need food.
Dochi, how far now?
Very far. I'm talking to you.
If na play, stop am. See, I'm not the one that blind your eye. If you are hungry, go and meet my brother. Don't come to me. What's the middle of this now? What's wrong with you?
I should go and meet your brother.
Yes, go and meet him.
But when I don't want him to go out, you will be the one begging. Please, oh, let him go. Let him go. Yeah? But now you said I should just go and meet your brother and not you. Nice one.
Dochi, please, can I talk to you?
What do you want to talk to me about? See, I am not the one you are supposed to talk to. Just talk to them. Tell them to treat me right. Else, I will just run to the palace and I will report. I don't even need to tell them what Queen will do to them.
See, Dochi, listen, we're all girls, eh? And I need you to calm down. Let's talk this out, eh? You're mounting so much pressure on them. Can you just take it easy?
Take it easy. Take it easy.
Chama. Chama, look at my eyes. I cannot see with this eye. Are you expecting me to... Oh. Are you expecting me to take it easy? It's not possible. Ah. You see this girl? This girl will not kill me in this house. Instead of this girl to kill me, I will kill her and bury her. Nothing will happen. You.
Ajulu, I don't even understand what your problem is. I am trying to see how I can help you guys settle this issue on ground, and you're acting this way. What is it, Seth?
Settle which issue? Which matter you want to settle now? Which issue do you know that you want to settle? She's very stubborn, no? She won't listen to you. She's very, very stubborn.
Wait, so just calm down first.
Wait, stop! Are you mad? Stop! No, stop! Stop it! Are you okay? No, wait! Stop! Wait! No, stop! No, stop! Ajulu, stop! Ajulu, stop! No, Ajulu, stop! You want to fight me too? Are you mad? Why would you slap her? Are you mad? Follow me. Walk fast before you follow me. Yes, you can go inside. You all are fired. Go inside, pack your things, and leave this palace immediately.
Pack what?
Oh, sorry.
Will you shut up? Who asked you to talk? What are they packing? The things we bought for them? No. They are leaving empty-handed.
Now, move! Get out!
What is going on here? Why are you firing them? What's their offense?
Who are you to ask? What's your business here?
No, I have every business here.
Who invited you into this matter?
No, I have every right to interfere with whatever matter that happens in this palace.
Hey.
What did you do? Nothing. You heard them. They did nothing.
Clinton, what is your business? Who invited you?
I invited myself. They're not leaving.
Be careful around here. If you want to live long around this vicinity, you must learn how to mind your business.
Know your boundary.
Yeah, they said people are fine. What are you waiting for? What's my prince?
Out! Where can this idiot girl run into?
Will you come back here? Come back
here! Now! Move! I said, go to your father's house. Go to your father's house. What are you doing? Clinton, I am warning you for the last time. Mind your business. Do not cross your boundary. Do not cross your boundary. Brother, so this is the only thing I have to say, Abi, eh? So you expect me to sit there and watch that girl beat me?
Have you not been seeing her insulting me? Did I touch her? You want to make things worse for me? The next thing now, Lola will talk this one, Queen will talk this one. Eh? I don't like this thing, though.
But
I don't like this thing, though.
That girl is very stubborn, though.
If you leave her like that until she finishes her punishment and go. Eh? I don't like this, you know.
If she doesn't take them, I'll blind her herself.
Hey. Respect yourself. Respect yourself. Don't say I did not want you. Sorry. I don't want problem again. Let her stay here.
Sorry.
I don't like this.
You have the mind to slap me. Obanya?
It's okay.
You have the mind to slap me.
Wait now, wait. Where
are
you going to?
Wait,
where are you going to? Give me
your sister slapped me.
Come back now.
Come back and do what?
Come back. Where are you going to the queen?
I'm going to that.
Is the queen of your mother? Is the queen of your mother? I'm not queen. You want to be a queen? That's what I'm here now talking to her. You want to run to go and see queen? You want to be the queen?
You are seeing her now.
She will respect. Don't worry, she will respect. Go where dinner.
This girl slapped me.
Nothing is happening. What? We are trying to settle it. The God, can't you people rest at home?
Something is happening.
Nothing is happening. From small thing, people will come.
The queen sent me to find out what is going on here.
Nothing is going on. Tell the queen. Calm down now. Tell the queen nothing is going on. We are trying to settle it. She had an issue. One time misunderstand with my sister. I'm trying to settle it. Can't you see? Just how come my group and back? Tell the queen that nothing is happening. Go inside. You know, I think I want to happen. Why?
Onochie, the queen will not be happy with you. You should handle this thing well.
Nothing is happening here.
Nothing is happening now.
Nothing is happening.
It's a lie.
Nothing. She has small misunderstanding she had with my sister. No. And that is what I'm here trying to settle. Can't you see? So go back and tell greet the queen for me. Tell the queen that nothing is happening here. You don't go book black.
If you lie, something happened. Your sister slapped me.
Who slapped you?
My sister slapped me.
Did they slap you?
Yeah, slapped me. I will be honest. He did not slap me.
You see?
He's innocent.
You see, go back. Then they will go to woman. So what will you carry cutlass up and down? Eh?
Oh no, chief.
This place is not a police station. No.
Handle this thing well.
I'm handling it.
I'll be leaving now.
I know.
You know that she hates somebody disobeying her orders.
Me too, I know that one. Go and tell the queen. Eh?
So tell the queen to tell them so that they will be treating me right. If they treat me right in this house, I'll
be leaving now.
You are not going to stay in my house. And I'm never going to be blue watch. Go now. Go now. If most people carrying no cutlass up and down. I don't know whether this my house is a police station. We don't put black in it. Look at the guy. They see what he like. Every time the guy are calling back. Police station.
Today, as your Christmas day.
Today
is your Christmas day.
New Year, Canadian.
Today, see, you people should just treat me right in this house. So
no problem, right, no problem. Do Christmas for me today.
I'll tell the queen no.
Next day, do New Year for me. At least you have come for holidays. Here, how much you what is all these things? Every time everybody will come, this one will come. What for the maid? Let them bring the maid here so that they can come and sweep our compound. Some more time, I don't know if people are not tired of this your black cap and your cutlass with a banana. See me, you're a guard. Because you're a guard, the king is sent you, the queen is sent you. This is how queen has been sent you to all the people's house that are having problem. Because on your car, you better respect yourself. If you are holidays, you will soon get fat.
Because one day, I will show him the stuff.
Did you hear him threaten me? Shut up. Shut out your mouth, Clinton. Huh? Stop shouting at elders like that. Allow us to talk. Calm down.
Don't shout at the prince. Didn't you see Akachi shouting?
My prince and my king to be.
Yes, my subject.
Please calm down. Calm down. Let us discuss why we are here. Let us tell your brother where he belongs in this kingdom. Let him know his place in this kingdom.
Better. He needs to know his place because he's becoming annoying.
So this is where my father normally comes?
Yes, my princess. This is where we came and saw him that day. If not that the queen told us not to follow him, this wouldn't have happened.
The queen asked you not to follow him?
Yes, my princess. Those boys that attacked him, they came through this way.
I can see that. The fence.
Yes.
I just need to get some evidence.
Okay, you can...
Okay, that's fine. Let's go.
That is our agreement for now. You cannot ascend the throne when you don't know our tradition.
It's a lie. Oh no, I said it's a lie. Who does that?
Oh, you are now shouting at Awono?
Yes.
Iwonyara?
It will not happen. He cannot deny Prince Clinton what rightfully belongs to him.
You know I don't like you. Be careful. Be careful, else I will beat you blue-black here.
What?
Yes, if you don't have anything reasonable to say, shut up. In fact, you make more sense when you're not talking.
Look at who you want to make our king. Look at what he's telling a cabinet member, that he will beat him.
UGEZU, if you do not have anything reasonable to say, keep your mouth shut. Or better still, get out of this palace. My son will definitely become the king. Else, I will set this kingdom on fire.
Yes.
It's a promise.
As for you, Clinton, do not worry yourself about the throne. You don't know about our tradition, so you cannot be our king.
You lied. Again, man. Oh no, you lied. Clinton will be the king of this community.
So because of tradition, I'll be denied my father's throne by becoming the king? Is it that I cannot learn this tradition?
No, you cannot learn it. I cannot learn it.
You cannot. If you know you want to learn, now, you and Akachi, give us 2 adages in Igbo.
Come on, don't insult me. What do you mean by 2 adages in Igbo? I can do 400 adages here. In fact, 1. Nwata bụ onye nna ya enu ngwongwo na ngwongwo ahụ chee ya anya okirikiri ka a na-agbukwu ose na ahara ise ugwu ose enu. I can go on and on and on and on.
My son, rest, please. Rest.
Ma bụ onye Igbo gbasiri ike now. How can you come back from America? You abandoned your father's name and started answering Clinton. Imagine, how can you be calling somebody Igwe Clinton? It doesn't make sense. Clinton or Nazi Igwe.
Did you hear him? That he wants to learn. And I'm working Benanka.
Enogi akita, nwa afi Igbo. Akwa enogi akita. Ima rapu afi Igbo ge Zaba Clinton. Eh? Igwe ona za Clinton abanye.
Ogbakwala nti o.
These are many more you need to know. If not, you cannot ascend the throne. It's simple as that. In fact, in that case, okay, let me ask you this simple question. If you want to be the king, the person that will crown you that day, who is it called?
That is Onowu.
Onye Igbo nkwo.
You fell. Akachi, answer the question.
That's an insult on my person now. Okay, let me answer it for formality's sake.
Teach him.
The person that will crown me is called Akatampo, the kingmaker. Akatampo is the name. It's why I cannot become king. He knows nothing about it. He who the cows feed should wear it.
Of course.
You can come back from California, baby, now Igwe Clinton and Igwe.
Igwe Clinton.
Igwe Clinton, have Oyibo.
Then what people?
Igwe Clinton of Obelago. Mbano, Adabaro. No, that will not happen. Yes, I will take this matter to the Council of Kings in the States. The government must hear this.
Don't worry.
Get up and leave this.
Come on. Get to this place. Hey, come here, I'm talking rubbish.
Give my two cents. I'm here.
You won't go like that.
You're not doing anything here.
Get out of this place.
I should say.
Or should we get out?
Oh yeah. Follow your leader.
Follow.
Whatever I buy.
Follow. If you are not comfortable, join them.
You all should remember that I'm highly connected. Yes, I'm a friend to the governor's son, a friend to the inspector general of police, to the chief of staff also. I will report this and I will not allow all this to slide. That's
Hey.
What's today? Fufu. I can't eat fufu. No, I
What do you mean, fufu?
I can't eat it.
That is what we have, oh.
No.
That is what we have.
No, I can't. I will not eat it. I want to eat rice.
You want to eat? I don't have rice. What can you mean? Don't you eat fufu in your father's house?
I don't. I only eat rice.
What is all this? I don't like this thing you are doing.
And please, be
I don't like
about
this.
it. Just be fast because I want to take my medicine.
Angelo, come. Please go to my room. Collect money there. Please go and buy rice for me.
Brother, Biko, anything that has to do with this matter, I'm not interested. Biko, I'm not interested. Anything that has to do with her, food, anything today. Topic close. See, me, I have somewhere I'm going to. You see this girl? I'm not going anywhere. I'm not buying you anything. I'll not buy you anything.
Okay, is that how you are doing?
Yes.
One day you will do this to a man, and they will bring the man here for you to take care of. You will see. Okay, you are hungry, but please don't hurry me. Don't hurry me. I don't like this thing. When you are in your father's house, you eat everything you see.
I want to take my medicine. Just go and find me rice.
You want to take your medicine?
What I'm saying is that if this boy should go to the higher authority, like rightly said, we are on to.
Then, what do we do?
We use our plan B. It is only who is alive that can be the king, true or false.
Ichie, you are right. In that case, I have my plans in place.
My point is, whichever way, let's be fast about whatever we want to do. I don't like the fact that that idiot is gallivanting around here and challenging me.
My son. Don't you trust your mother? Leave that to me.
I believe you.
Ichie.
My friends.
I am not afraid. I am prepared for this task, so you have nothing to worry about because I am a son of a lion. Go home, relax. I will take good care of this one.
Okay, my prince. Another thing you should be thinking of is getting a wife for yourself. And if you don't have anybody in mind, I have 2 daughters.
Is this how greedy you are? What about my own daughter that works here in the palace?
Oh, your daughter works here?
Yes, my prince. My daughter works here. She is the chief palace maid, or should I call her for you to see?
Nze, Achuse, so this is it. You now disobey my orders. As you know, Okuya?
Oh no. We won't support evil. If you want to plan your own throne, go ahead and do that. We will plan ours and see at the end who wins.
Ichie, I don't have time for this. As for the wife you mentioned, we'll talk about that later. But for now, I will give the both of you 200,000 each. So you can go ahead and prepare for my coronation because of course the days are drawing near. I am fully prepared.
That's my praise.
We will do
that. I told you. See, I am happy now. I'm happy they've seen that they cannot win this war.
But you are greedy. Why did you rush to tell the prince that you have daughters? What about me?
Greedy? I just say, okay, let's not quarrel over this. We should not quarrel over this. If he marries my daughter, then you become the Ono. But if he marries your daughter, I become the Ono. That settles it.
Just me marry my daughter.
It's okay. That settles it. You will not have issues on this. Jay, let's go. Jay, let's go.
What? 200,000 naira each.
I am just confused like this. I don't know what to do. But there is nothing wrong in this boy becoming the king. This is the agreement we have with Lolo and Ume. And if I back out now, they will feel bad.
No, I don't know what you are saying. What do you mean? If you have been in this boy's side, you would have been among the people that will collect this 200,000. I told you I need money. I like Rami find a mail. You better change to his side now before it's too late.
How do I do it now?
Simple. Call him and have meeting with him. That's all.
You are right. But Lolo and Ume want to kill him.
And you are in support of this?
No, I am not.
Hey! This man, oh. Hey! You want to put yourself in trouble. Eh? Oh no. Hey! Instead of you to support this man, so that you will retain your position as Uno, Ejo. Eh? Don't worry. Don't worry, not a plan. No. I am going to expose you people.
Eh? What did you just say?
Eh? Don't just try it. Try it. Look at someone that want to change the face of this community. You want to kill him. Eh? Akachi, has he given you sheshe? Even the late king. Where will go find you? Don't worry. Let two people be planning. And I'm planning how to expose you. I bet you.
How do I do now? What do I do?
Papa, I don't know what you're waiting for to divert him. I don't know. Look at how he's sharing money up and down. Eh? Careful, Woody. I don't know what you are waiting for. Eh? Someone that has money has come. And you're busy supporting the queen and his useless son, who doesn't have money. Even the late king doesn't have money. Talk one of the useless son. Eh? What are you waiting for?
Sister, easy. We're not Kenny and why you.
Let me tell you, eh? As for me, eh? With what Clinton did today, and with what you just said, I'm over out, oh. I am over out and I'm in for Prince Clinton. I and Akachi, it is over between us. And as in me.
My daughter, exactly what is in my mind. But they will feel that I betrayed them.
Ha! You see they will feel? They should feel betrayed now. Papa, they should feel betrayed. Papa, since you knew Akachi, has Akachi ever given me 50,000 naira? Mba. But Clinton gave me 200,000 naira so fast. Eh? And he said he's going to share 200,000 to the elders. Papa, Jesse. Someone that has money has come. Papa, divert now.
Papa, we have to listen to sister. You need to do something. Let's move now. Let's divert. Sister is correct.
Am I
not a good person?
Both of you are right. But they will still feel that I betrayed them.
Papa, let them feel. Let them feel, oh. You better go there and stay with them there, because as for me, I am out, oh. I am out.
Papa, all sister needs to do now is to find our way straight into Prince Clinton's heart. Bam!
Your head is there.
You don't run around about. You take right.
Your head is there.
It's not easy. The way you think, it's not easy.
Papa, you have to make it easy for us. It's not easy. It's queen we are talking about here. I want to be a queen. Eh? You have to make it easy.
What is going on? Ajulu, what is happening? You mean you are leaving this house?
Yes.
Why?
Brother, I'm leaving this house. I'm leaving this house for you and your punishment.
Why? Because I want you not to fight her. Is that why you are leaving this house?
Brother, it's not.
Ajulu.
Don't worry. When everywhere is calm, I will come back. Yes, I'll come back.
How do you expect me now to be taking care of her and be going to work? I'm attending to my business.
I don't know. Neither do I care. I don't care. But see, if you leave me in this house, I will kill this girl. Yes, this girl, she will push me to the extent of I will kill her. And you know if I kill her, you get into more trouble. So it's better I go. Yes, it's better I go. Don't worry. You and your problem. Both of you can stay. Whenever everywhere is calm, peacefully, I'll come back. There is no problem.
Ajulu, so attack ready.
Yeah.
Attack ready. Adolo, this is how you are.
That is how I am.
This is how you are.
Just let her go, abeg.
Adolo, this is how you are.
Don't come back again, no.
Okay, no problem.
Why are you just
No
disturbing
problem.
yourself?
Adolo, ma tell him. Just ma tell him.
Please, don't come back again.
What can I give me?
She's jealous.
Why are you doing this thing?
She's
This thing you are doing now, why are you doing it? Can you tell me in one sentence why you are doing this thing you are doing?
Not doing anything.
Eh?
I was on my own.
I'm only respecting the queen, no? I'm only respecting the queen. It's not that I don't know how to do what I will do to you. It's not that I don't know how to do to you.
I did not do anything to you. If you check this thing very well, I did not do anything. No. I was on my own. No. You blinded my eyes. Oh.
You
I was on my
own. When you are taking my money, you did not know. See.
When you're the one that was giving me.
Bet me. You see your nipple will never grow.
Okay.
You will see.
Ah, the one that is standing already. I bet let me check and know what you shit.
Akachi, it is over between us. It is over. I cannot take this anymore.
It's obvious you're a gold digger. Gold digger. Your true colors are Putawago. Thanks for manifesting early. It is over because you're not sure whether I'll become king or not.
Akachi, it is over between us. Now tell me how you are going to fight a person who knows the governor, knows the DPO of police station. No, tell me now how you're going to fight someone with such connections. Power you don't have. You don't even know ordinary DPO in our village. You don't know. No, do you know? Please, I don't want to lose entirely. That is why I am saying this. Because
so tomorrow if someone bigger comes, you jump. Why don't write highest bidder on your forehead? Let's know that's who you are. And you are here now. I've invested in this girl. She has been professing love to me. We are planning marriage. She's here and saying it is over. And you're not saying anything. Okay,
no, what do you want him to say?
Akachi, I am not the one I am getting married to. She's the one. So whatever she said, I don't know.
Gold digger.
Yes, I am a gold digger. I am a gold digger. I am no longer interested.
But you see, three of you. Mark my words and mark today's date. I will shock you people.
Shock one, Wiggy.
I will shock you people.
Go and tell your mother that I'm done with you. I am done with you.
Sister,
did you see the way your mother is talking? The way he's dashing money out? The way he has composure, he has teeth.
Okay.
You don't have teeth, it's a cha-cha. You don't have teeth in you.
Sister,
come on, package. You don't even know how to package yourself.
I won't go to cool down.
Can you imagine?
Calm down.
Is that a threat or what?
See, let him go. Let him
go.
Loser. Let him
Sister,
go.
Leave him.
Let him go.
We have moved.
After all, there is a party that said change. At least when we change.
We have diverted.
Let him go. He will not lose. My daughter will not lose.
Can you imagine?
Sister.
Is that a threat or what?
I want to.
Go and tell your mother I'm done with your ass.
Well, no. I do not want to have a problem with any of you. The fact that I do not have a basic knowledge about our tradition does not mean you all will rob me of my father's inheritance. I mean, my father's throne. No. I'm going to put everything on hold until I get to see those behind my father's death. Yes. By the time I surround everywhere, this community with armies, then you will understand that I am a trained American.
My son, calm down. Wait, Obi. You have to calm down. You haven't heard from me. Thank God I met you on my way. You have to listen to me. Your father and I were very close friends. That he made me the Onowu. Please, I have thought about this several times. That why would I be fighting you? I cannot join Ume to fight you. Mbana. Listen to me. I am going to teach you tradition. I will guide you and protect you. Whatever you want to know or whatever you want to do, just tell me. I will do it for you. I am now a changed person now. Yes.
No, are you the one saying this?
Yes. I am the Onowu, the custodian of the tradition. I cannot do evil to the heir to the throne. Mbana. Yolo and his son bribed me so many times. Even keep their promises of making me retain my position as Onowu. I say no. I have come to understand that you are your father's son. I am with you.
Well, I I'm very happy you realized yourself very, very early. I mean, you came early. But I want to assure you that your title as Onowu of this kingdom will remain. You are going to have it. And of course, I will change your life.
Thank you, my son. I don't know how to thank you. In fact, anyone that wants to fight you, let them fight me first. Yes, I am ready.
Well, may I remind you that no one have the ball to fight me. I have the wherewithal to do whatever I wish to do. Now don't worry, you have to go now. I'll be on my way. I'll see you later.
Thank you.
Prince Clinton. Prince, you don't have to think too much. Brenda doesn't love you.
Are you sure of what you are saying?
My prince, I am very sure. I am very, very sure. Brenda is with you because she knows you are going to become the king. But now that you are about to lose the throne, she has left you. She's now going for your brother.
What?
My prince, I'm telling you the truth. They are both secretly dating. You know, the other day, Brenda came to the palace and the prince gave her money. Ever since then, they have been in contact. As I speak to you now, they are together. Brenda has been teaching him the whole tradition. And she's not just doing it alone. Yan and Pia are hand to hand.
So even Ichie is behind this?
My friends, I would just advise that you leave Brenda and go and look for another woman. Because as for Brenda, hey,
are you 100% sure of what you're saying?
My friends, I am dead serious. I swear, I'm serious.
I'm not surprised, women. Oh, wait, huh? But this will never go unchallenged. I will confront them.
Hey, no, my prince.
What is it?
You don't have to confront her. You don't have to.
Thanks for the information.
What is even wrong with this prince? I'm not seeing happy Brenda or not. Am I not a woman? Is he not seeing me? Hey!
I don't care what you say, Mom. I don't care. I will dig this matter to the last point. Mom, tell me why you told the guards not to go with the king on that day. Why? You must tell us what happened to the king.
How dare you? Are you gone out of your senses?
Mom, at this point, I am out of control.
So if you try this next time, I will slap you back. Ruth! That is my name! I'm telling you now, and I will say it again. I must take this matter to the last point. Mom, what kind of woman are you? Your husband just died. My father just died. And all you care about is the throne. What throne? Are you that heartless?
Shut up, Ruth! Shut your mouth!
I think it's time I show you the stuff I've made of. Ruth, I am not just your mother. I am dangerous.
If you dare open your mouth
again to say that you will slap me,
you will do nothing! You will do nothing! What is all this? What is all this? I honestly don't know what is wrong with my mother. Can you imagine I just found out she asked the guards not to escort the king on that day? On top of that, she doesn't care about the burial plans. She doesn't care to know who and what killed him. All she just cares about is the throne. How? It doesn't sit right with me.
What are you saying?
Yes, you heard me.
Your mother did that?
Yes.
Is that the way you people do here? What is this? Why did she sack them?
My friends, we don't know. We don't even know why they were sacked. She just asked them all to leave.
This is strange.
My friends, it's only the governor that remains. And it's because she's from the same village with her.
Oh, I see. Alright, I want you to go and meet them. Ask them to come up to the palace. I'll start paying for their salaries, okay?
Right away, my prince. Okay, my prince.
My prince, your food is served.
Okay, you may go.
Alright, my prince.
I think it is time I let these people know that I'm not a fool.
Don't cover the truth. Wicked mind, evil people are the problems we have in this beautiful world. Because they forget that only God has the final say in our lives. The evil men do live with them. Live with them. The evil men do live with them. Live with them.
You're eating already?
Yes. Do you want to join me?
But the maid told me my food is here.
Oh my goodness, I think this should be the one. I'm so sorry. Here to join. Here, it's big.
Oh, really? No, you can eat.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. Enjoy yourself.
It's big. Don't you want to join me?
Come on, enjoy yourself. You're eating already.
Okay. So where have you been?
I went to see one man. But that'll be a story for another day.
Are you sure?
Hope you're enjoying yourself. Yes, I'm sure. What is this? Are you okay?
I've been having this weird tummy. Chest.
Oh, take what? No? So like I was saying
this. Also,
are you okay? Take water. Toothbrush?
My chest is calling.
Are you okay? Are you okay? Maiden! Maiden! What is it?
My children.
Go. She's coughing. She was eating. Call the guards! Guards! Hey! Guards!
Tochi, you need to think about this. Honestly. It was just a fight. Eh? How long will you keep living here?
Choma, as long as I get better. Please, I don't even want your problem right now.
I did not come here to fight you. Listen, I only came here to talk to you as a sister. Yes, we all agree that Onoche did not do well by hitting you. Even his sister was not in support of him. But it was just an accident. Yes, now, you know he even wanted you as his woman. Just let's go. Eh?
See, let me tell you. I was not the one that brought myself here. Lolo did. Okay? So, I don't have anything to do. Let them just take care of me and I get better. Everybody go. I go my house. Then Onoche take care of himself. That's all.
Sorry now. It's okay. I understand your pain. But please forgive him now. Why are you losing? Eh? You know that these people no longer have father or even mother. But you have a father. Why not take him as your brother? Okay, I saw his sister leaving this village. And she was even crying. I felt so bad. Tochi, cousin, do I have to kneel down for you? What is your gain in all of this?
For him to suffer until I get well. That's all.
Tochi, gabuju nyocha. Ebule again, no. Ebutu ogala, no. What is even your problem? Eh? Are you not a human being? No one knows tomorrow.
Chama, You want me to pity him, yeah? It's not that I don't want to pity him. Okay, wait, I pitied him today. I was meant to eat salad today. He did not give me the salad though. And I did not bother him. Is that not pity?
You're really, really funny, oh. Honestly, Tochi, you're very funny. You're very funny.
Leave me alone. I don't want to fight you. I don't want to fight you. No, fight me. That is what I want. Oma, you are going to fight me today. No one needs to tell me that you're a very bad friend. You're a very wicked girl. How am I bad? How am I bad? I'm going to show you today. You're a very stupid girl. Brenda, tell me. How am I bad? How am I bad? Kefemme, what did Akachi do to you? Akachi me again? What? Oh. So it's a problem. It's now your problem, eh? That is why you went to tell him. Are you stupid? I will show you what I am made of today. Oh, now what did happen? We can't age them. You're very stupid. Let's hold ourselves. I will show you what I'm made of. Let's hold ourselves.
Brenda, what is it? Brenda, what is it?
You want me to wound you, Abi?
Leave her. What is it?
Oh my goodness.
Brenda, what is it? Oh
no. As this idiot, this efu. Ask her.
What happened?
She is the main enemy. You go to this girl, Akachi. What did Akachi do to her? Nothing. She left Akachi and now she is running after Prince Clinton.
What?
Is it your business?
That is not possible.
Is it your business if I change my mind? Our business again.
Brenda.
Brenda.
Does your father knows about it?
Oh, no, her father knows about it. Mpiana are hand to hand. They are working together. They planned it together.
No, this cannot be true. That cannot be possible. This is not true. Let me go and see him. Don't worry, let me go and see him.
Oh, no. She will not leave you.
You
will not be
Continue.
I will kill you here. You will not want to. Come and leave you. We will kill ourselves. No, come and leave you. You will leave. We will kill ourselves. I'm not leaving. You won't pray about that. You are not going. Oh, give a Kalana. I've not seen anything. Oh, give a Kalana. I bet you not give an Izuzu. I will show you now. I'm very confident. Try me and see. You're looking for Prince. Come and go now. We are here. We die here today. Leave, let me see. We die here. Leave.
Oh, my good friend, drink more. They will bring another one. You have a problem at hand. You need to drink.
You see that girl? That girl will definitely leave my house. That girl will leave my house. You see. No, enough is enough. I don't want to think Babini. Enough is enough. She must leave my house.
Yes. Let her go. How can your sister leave you like that? Just like that? That means she wants you to suffer and die.
That girl has so frustrated me. Tochi is frustrating me. Queen has frustrated my life. Hi. You see all of them? I will plan for them. You see today? I'm going to rape that girl. Yes. I'm going to rape her. She will see.
You see that one where you talk today? You see that one where you talk now? I support you. Yes. I support you. You need to do it now that you are high. Yes, now. Now that alcohol is all over you, you need to do it. So that if people are talking, they will say it's alcohol high. Yes. I use it and do it.
I'll finish
do
her.
it now. And anytime now, if we are going to do it now, I'll hold her leg for you.
Hey. Mama. Animals, don't come near. I want to hold her leg for me. Don't hold her leg for me. I can handle it, even if with alcohol in my body. Whatever I think, I can handle it. What is there? What is there to tear pants and do this? After all, she doesn't even wear pants. Here's the access.
See person we won't go. See person we won't go do woman. Only you.
Only me can handle it.
You cannot handle this, you know.
Only me can handle it.
Allow me to come and hold her for you so that
don't hold for me. Only me can do it. I am man alone. I can handle it.
Oh, yeah, give me 10%. 10%.
10%. Once I go home now, I'll lock my gate. By the time I'm doing it, after doing it, I'll bring the pant and give you.
Hey!
You smell.
Mbao, you cannot do this thing alone.
Ume!
Ishe.
Where is your father? Welcome for yourself.
Ishe, is there a problem?
Where is that your foolish father? That betrayer?
Oh no. You are here.
No, I am there. So this is who you are. Ume, this is who you are. If not that you are Ichie, I would have slapped the daylight out of you. So this is who you are. This is what you did.
What did I do? No.
Hey.
What did I do?
You know I'm so disappointed at you. Shameless man. So you want your daughter to marry Clinton? Okuya? Eh? So fast you switch party. Okiseme? Ume? Okiseme?
Oh no. Is that what you're saying? Is that what you're saying? That's no problem. I wanted to tell you today, but thank God you found out by yourself. Like you have just said now, I and my daughter, they have moved to where something is working out. Yes, and if you have PDP, it's not working. You enter APC, it's not working. You enter ADC. So we cannot be where something is not working out now. Can't you see? No
problem, I see. Let's see how it goes then. You
both are now. It's a big problem.
Now, what happened?
The princess is dead. Hey! Princess Ruth is dead. Oh no!
Listen to me. I am not here for jokes. Start talking. What did you put inside the food?
My prince, I did not put anything.
Where did you keep the food? I mean the remains.
I threw it away.
Clayton, what are you even saying? I don't understand. This girl has been working in this palace for a very long time. She has never hurt anybody. What is your problem? Eh? What are you trying to say?
I don't understand what you're talking about. Whether she works here or not, she's the first suspect. Yes, this is the same way my father died. And now my own sister died of the same thing. That food was clearly meant for me to eat. But then she ate it. And you're telling me to let it slide? No, I will not let this one slide at all. Just wait. My men are on the way coming. The police are here. I've also called the elders. They're on their way coming here.
You will tell me what you did to my daughter. I will make sure I fight you. I will not let this slide.
I will not let this slide too. Alright? Let's stay here until the police arrive. Right? And you go nowhere. Make sure you lock everywhere.
Okay, my prince. Everywhere is locked. Let me cross check again.
What is wrong with you?
What do you mean what is wrong?
You're drunk. What is wrong with you now? Drinking will not solve this problem. If you're drinking now, they will say that I'm the one that made you to start drinking.
Is it your business? Is it your business?
My business.
Are you not the one making me to drink this?
People will say that I'm not a bad person.
Are you not a bad person?
How am I a bad person?
You carry your problem and put on my head. How are you not a bad person?
You're not the one that blinded my eyes.
My bad queen. Please get out of my way. I want to go. I want to go inside and rest. Get out of my way now.
Stop drinking.
I should stop.
Please, no.
Officer!
Please, I'll confess. Don't let it take me away.
Shut up your mouth. I hope your boys are outside. Yes, sir. Oh, good. Take this girl. She must rot in jail until she confessed to what she put in the food Ruth ate.
My prince, I will confess, please.
Confess what? Goma, shut up!
My prince, it was the queen that gave me the poison that I should put in your food. I did not know the princess would eat it.
What?
What combination? Lola, did you do that?
It's a lie. I didn't. I did not do it. Ugoma is insane. Shut up!
You still deny it? You killed your own daughter.
Yes, that was the reason why she sent the other maiden
to go so that I would do it. Yes, even the day the king died, he was the one that asked the guys not to follow it.
Are you sure of what you are saying?
Yes, I'm sure. My brother, I'm only saying this.
Enough! Officer.
Sir.
Take this girl.
Hey.
And
Take
this...
this fool away! You're talking rubbish.
I am talking. Take her away too!
Clinton, are you saying that the officer should take me away?
Officer, please do your job. As for those that killed my father, I must fish them out this week. Do your job, please.
Madam, you are under arrest for murder and conspiracy. Our advice to remain silent for whatever you say or do will be used against you in the court of law. One more thing, you have right to an attorney. And if you don't have, the state is willing to offer you one.
Move! Follow them. We will come there. I will come there. Follow
I say move!
Officer, this
is
Clinton. Are you bringing an officer into family matters?
Move.
Clinton!
I say move!
Officer, take it easy.
Move!
Lola, follow them. We will come there.
Chill, man.
Lola will come. Keep going. Follow them.
Move!
I will obey the law.
Stop wasting my time! I say move!
Clinton, my friend, please, I'm begging you. Ask him to take me
Madam,
away.
I will use force on you.
No, are you here?
I say move!
I am here. Don't worry, we will join you there. Just
you chill, man.
we will come to the station. We will come there, oh.
We'll come to the station. That's good, my dear.
You are very wicked. You are very wicked. God will punish you. You did this to me, Olache. I hate you. I hate you. You are very wicked. You so... What have I done to you?
What happened to you?
Olache raped me.
Hey!
He raped me. I don't know what I did. I don't know what I did to Olache from one evil to another. Sorry. I don't know what I did from one evil to another.
Oh, no. Yeah! Oh, no.
So you decided to do this to my daughter?
What have I done to you to warrant you to behave like this towards me? Oh no, you must kill me today. Both of us must go and see God!
Oh no, you are strangling me. You see, as I am now, I'm not even afraid of death. You can go and report me anywhere. Tell God, tell Pope, tell Lolo, tell King, tell future Prince, tell everybody terrible. But tell it nobody. What I've done it. I'm no longer afraid of anything.
Onochi, I will leave you for now.
Okay, come on.
I will leave you for now.
Okay, come on. Can't go talk to women.
Go and talk to her. By the time I come back, whatever you see, take it in good faith.
Sorry.
Stand up. Let us just leave here.
No, Papa, no, I'm not going anywhere. Papa, I will stay here. I'm sorry, I'm not leaving.
Do you want him to kill you here?
Yes, he should kill me. He should kill me, Papa. Tell me, what am I living for? Just tell me. Papa, I'm blind. He raped me. Who is going to like me? Nobody. Papa, nobody. I'm nothing. I'm nobody.
My daughter, will not allow this to happen to you.
No. Papa, I'm sorry, I can't.
Let's go.
No.
My brother, please. Forgive them and bail them. I'm also sorry for the way we've been living. I'm sorry.
Well, I'm sorry to disappoint you. I am sorry for them to have the guts to kill my own father. They must pay for it.
My prince, it is good you have dogged out this matter. But it is very bad for Onowu and the queen to have planned this.
Yes. And I suggest you let them be in there for a while. After all, they brought it upon themselves.
Exactly. Like I said earlier, for them to have the guts to kill my own father, at this point we have to allow the courts to decide their fate. If they are guilty, let them go in for it. Yes, that's how it should be. I promised them that I'm going to find out. And that is what is happening right now. So please, let's just allow this. Akachi, my brother, I can forgive you. But not your mother and those useless chiefs. I will not do that. Please. Hello? Wow! This is good news.
In this beautiful world, because they forget.
Sister, what are we going to do now? Please now, beg Prince Clinton now. Papa cannot be in the cell. I don't even know how he got himself involved in all this at first.
Joy, I am going to the palace to cook for him now. I don't even want to talk about Papa. I don't want the prince to change his mind over me. Now that the prince is liking me, let's pray to know if God will answer my prayer. Then I'll be able to talk to the prince.
Okay. Whichever one. Just try whatever you know you can do. Oh, please.
Maybe come on, be going, Biko. Let me go and cook for him,
Brenda, have you heard from the prince?
About what?
About your father and my husband now. I want to know because I'm tired of begging prince.
Ijema, fight your battle yourself. Biko, let me fight my own. As you can see, I am going to see my baby. I am going to see him. I don't care about those in the cell. Yes, I don't care. Go and beg the prince yourself. I am going to see my baby.
Hey! Oh, I want to know. But he wouldn't listen. Look at the trouble he put himself into. Obulo na agwabanti. Ondoro. Ebulisi. Osolie.
Auntie Gemma, my sister is very selfish. Hey! All she cares about now is how to become the queen and get married to the prince. All we can do is to pray for them. Even my father, our father is in the cell. She doesn't even care about that.
Hey! Agwamono. One honor. Honor. Ngwan. Osetia. Okay.
Onochie, that thing you ever wanted, you will get it now. You must marry my daughter. Ichie, I'm not denying it. I'm not denying it. If she has been living with me here, so let her now live as my wife. No problem. What else do you want me to do?
Papa?
Yes, my daughter.
I'm not going to marry him. I'm not going to stay in this house with him. Papa Wanga will kill me. Seriously, I will not stay here. Especially now that the queen is not here to take care of this situation.
My daughter, I agree with you that the queen is not here to take care of the situation. But the prince is there. And if he fails to marry you and take proper care of you, I will go back there. So, okay. Ichie, I've heard you now. It's not that I hate you. I've had to be the one asking her to be my girlfriend. Yeah, so as you want me to do so, I will do it. There's nothing like...
Leave me, leave me.
There's nothing like... I will take care of her. Let's... Ichie, let us do it the way you want.
Oh no, Chia.
Let's live in peace. I don't know why we always fight. I'm tired. Her this thing is okay now. She will go the last dressing now and everything will be okay. So let's stop this. I'm tired. Because I'm tired. I'm mature. We're going to our everyday case.
Okay. Mokem. Moro kwani fe Dikeh jogo eh? Good. Okonye kwete ni fafia kwulu ona n'oge. Pop ni kwete go nsogbu adoro. Then tell me right now. When are you coming to pay her bride price? I don't want everybody to know about this now.
Ichi as soon as possible.
Are you sure?
Tonto. Holistic Tonto. Holistic Tonto. Holistic Tonto.
We are meant to see the people that are causing troubles in this city. It's our community. Oh, my boy! How are you? My baby. How are you?
I'm fine.
Missed you so much.
Me
Come
too.
here.
How are you doing?
I'm fine. Come. Sit.
My prince. Sit. Who are they?
She's my beautiful wife. Her name is Annabelle. And my son, Junior. Junior, come say hello.
You have a family?
Yes, I do. I long to show them to you. And today, they are here.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. How was the flight?
It was good.
Good, right?
Yes.
Sit.
Okay.
Hey. So, meet them. I'm sorry I didn't tell you about them. They are leaving the States. So I had to make some arrangements so they can come back.
Hi, my prince.
Hi. How are you?
I'm fine.
Meet my wife, my beautiful wife. Her name is Annabelle. And my son, Junior. Junior, say hello.
Hello. Hi there. You mean your wife?
Yes, my wife, my family. Is there any problem? Are you okay?
I want to get something.
Okay.
You're welcome.
Help! I cannot take this.
Sister, what happened? Why are you back so soon?
I cannot take this.
You are crying.
This is too much on me. I can't take it.
What happened?
He didn't tell me that he's married with a child.
What? Prince Clinton is married? You mean Prince Clinton is married with a child?
Had I known, no.
Wait, sister, you mean Prince Clinton has a family already?
Yes, oh, Clinton deceived me, oh, he has wife and kids. He's a married man, oh.
Hey, that means Papa will die in the cell. Sister, I want you. So Papa will not die in the cell, but I want you.
This wicked man.
I want you now.
Listen, a wicked man.
Papa will not die in the cell.
My prince, I'm very happy for you. This Jones, you have the blood of your father, our king, running in you. We never think you could thought it so wise to have a happy family as this.
Thank you so much, Ichie. Our people says when your wealth gets home, it will explain its destination. Yabona, akuruo uno, akawebusi, kawakoye patalia. Obolia.
Yes, look at it. You now talk with parables.
Yes, I learned a lot. Ichie Ume and his daughter taught me so well. They've been teaching me in secret.
It's okay. You are welcome once again, our future queen.
Thank you, no.
No, he's not to know yet.
Why are you telling her?
Are you to know?
Well, let's not dwell on that yet. Let's talk about something. Let's talk about how to move forward. I want us to have everlasting peace in this community. We need to settle things. We need to be in peace with each other. It really pains me so much that we lost our father, the king, and also my sister, because of some people's greed and selfish interest. Please, I beg again, let's come together, make peace with ourselves.
Thank you very much, my brother. Your message is clear and valid. And I promise to make it up for the death of our loved ones. Once again, thank you. Our wife, you're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Junior. Kedo. Bye-bye. Oh my God.
Please, let's drink. Please drink.
I'm so happy your brother has forgiven you and he wants to help you too.
Yes, he's a nice guy. I'm happy that we finally made peace.
Happy.
You know, united we stand, divided we fall.
Exactly.
Yeah, thanks for the role you played.
Thank you. You're welcome. You know, I'm happy your brother is married. Can't you see Brenda has been put to shame? So happy.
That desperate queen. I'm happy for my brother too, but at the same time, I think I've found my own wife too.
For real?
Yeah. And she's not far from me.
Yeah.
I'm talking about you. Hope you're not surprised. Yes, you're calm, you're patient, you're homely, you have sense, you're not desperate. And you've been telling me the truth.
Sister, please now. Sister, don't leave the village like this now. Sister, please. Sister, I cannot live like...
So finally, someone has decided to leave this village for good.
Shamefully, she's living with shame.
What will come to you soon? You both will not be able to stand it. I'm telling you, bet me. But I don't care what you guys are talking about here. I don't care because I don't have time for losers like you.
Coming from a failed idiot, a desperate witch, a baseless queen. My friend, live with your shame.
To hell with the both of you. Foolish prince. Prince without packaging. Foolish prince.
Business as shall.
Oh my, you're very wicked.
Just leave them.
Like sister.
They are losers. Just leave them. Just leave them.
Are you imagine? Idiot. Baby, don't allow them to spoil our mood, okay?
Okay.
As I was saying, I found what I want in a true woman in you. You're calm, you're organic, you're natural, you're beautiful. And to crown it all, you have patience. So, from this moment, you are my woman. I hope you're not surprised.
I am.
Don't worry. Come, let's go, eh?
Okay.
Yeah, all I want in a woman.
That's what I'm telling you. The man has agreed to give me the contract.
Oh my God.
I'm telling you.
You'll be rich very old.
Yes, sir.
I'll be money. Oh, thank you, Jesus.
Yes, sir.
I'm so happy.
Yes, I told you that.
I'm so happy. What am I saying?
Come. Where are you coming from? So you still know your way to this house?
Brother.
I don't.
Is that the welcome you will tell me?
Who is welcoming you? You're a bad sister. You were a bad sister.
The only family.
You were a bad sister. You. So you left me around, thinking that I would die.
I left.
Look at me now. Eh? Helen Hattie. Bouncing. Ataranga. You see?
Baby, it's okay.
You are not a good person.
Baby, she's your sister, remember? Let's just welcome her very
well. No, this one is a wasted sister.
Aju, just come and sit down.
Don't tell her to sit down.
Don't you?
Baby, please, just let her be.
No, she's not a good sister.
Baby, she tried.
Eh?
She tried.
She did not try anything.
No, she tried to support
She was thinking I will die. Now look at me now.
Tochi.
Ekwe shame on you. Don't go out the with respect.
Why are you looking at me? Baby. Okay, do you expect us to still be fighting?
Yes.
No.
How can there's no marriage age?
It's not possible. We are tired of fighting.
That's how
we are living in peace
bad
right
people
now.
Think all the time.
Okay, just come and sit down. Don't worry, I'll just you. Just come.
I tried though.
You go to the job and I stay back. Come and sit. There's no food here. There's no food in this house.
She's your sister. I'm sorry, I'm getting married to your brother.
All the people husband enemy is dangerous. It's very dangerous. Angonebone is a chanya. Ino de no de kawa bani. Anamaego de verisi. All the people husband enemy is dangerous. It's very dangerous. Angonebone is a chanya. So you get bookie nacha. Isolo mado so you get book on nacho. Isolo mado so you get book in nacho. Isolo mado so you get book on nacho. Isolo mado you fight anyhow, you talk anyhow, you do anyhow. Oh, be careful, this world is not your own.